Oh, I think my camera isn't zoomed in. 1 second. I think that's better. Hello. Hello. How is everybody? How does one play Reaper? I'm actually quite knowledgeable at this. I may have possibly played Reaper in a few extreme trials, maybe. I could teach you what I know at least. It's probably not the perfect way to play it, but I could teach you how I know how to play it. But hi, Justin. Also, hold on, let me hype train real quick. Trevuthi, thank you for the 51 months with the resub message. Oh my God, I'm farting. Pfft, fart. Wow, thank you, Trev. Wait, no, hold on. Me about to thank Cree for the resub when Cree just lurked. J-Train, thank you for the 15 months. Angie, thank you for the 21 months gifted by Toji. Dawn, thank you for gifting a sub to Goose Ray. Dawn, thank you for the 100 bits. Elle, thank you for the 9 months. Justin, thank you for the 19 months. So, that's so true. I didn't do a going live post and I was literally just sitting here doing nothing. Do you speak Pig Latin? Yay. So true. Punk, I can try to teach you what I know. I feel like Reaper is one of the most fun classes to play, in my opinion. But Ari, hello. Don, hello. Xanthia, hello. Hello, may I have my Pokemon Snorlax? Hi, Ugg. Hi, Black Rose Pixie, welcome in. It's very good to see you. Hi. Oh, I got a hype chest. Is this a new guy? Wow. Angie, hello. Elle, hello. I don't even know who I said hi to at this point. I'm overwhelmed. Toji, hello. Angie, thank you for the 20 stream streak. Guys, I don't know who I said hi to. I was too busy jamming to Undertale music. I fell asleep before the end of Disco. I hope it was very Elysium. It was so good, Goose Ray. It was so good. Weary, hello. Chris Healer, hello. Cree, hello. I think I said hi to everybody. Celeste, hello. Me when I lie. QB Cat, hello. If I didn't say hi to you, you can cancel me. You can actively cancel me on, I don't know. I was gonna say Twitter, but who uses that anymore? Hi, Jiraxo. I know, I'm so sad about it. Hi, Reverse, welcome in. Okay, I'm not gonna say any Disco spoilers, but I got really sad on Sunday. Like, extremely sad that I can't play Disco anymore. Yeah, cancel me on Tumblr. I've never used Tumblr in my life. This is my truth. Snorlax, fuck, you did it so fast. Pikachu, you can play it again. I could. See, but I have an issue where when I replay games, I accidentally pick all of the same dialogue options as I did the first time because I don't remember what I picked the first time. And then it ends up the same. This happened to me in Baldur's Gate multiple times. Yeah, that's true, Justin. That's true. I don't know. I'm just really sad that it's over. I didn't want it to end. It was really good. I wrote a review on Backlogged, but I wrote the review at 3:30 in the morning. So, I don't know if so you can read what I wrote, but please just know that this was my 3:30 a.m. post crying for an hour thoughts. Oh, okay, never mind. Why don't I have a command for that? You can read my review. Just know that I haven't edited it, and so it's kind of messy. It's spoilery. Yeah, it's marked as spoilers, so I assume nobody would click on it if they didn't want spoilers, so. I'm still sad it's over. Unfortunately, I tend to really mourn media that I have consumed that I have finished because I can never have it back. So, like, I can never play it for the first time again. And unfortunately, I get really sad about it for a really long time after I finish it, and then I'm fine. So, yeah. You know what? Every stream is a Kim Kitsuragi fan club meeting. Hi, Astra. It's good to see you. Hello. Yeah, that's true, Justin. That's true. That's true, Dawn. I will just do it with sadness in my heart, you know? I need to post that I'm live. Hold on. I'm gonna forget if I don't. You guys need to just let me do this. I'm sorry. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Happy Bear said your shower smelled weird. I don't know. I could not tell you how that came up in any kind of conversation. What? Hello? I don't know what this means. Is that a new rumor? Maybe. Happy? She wouldn't know. She wouldn't know. Hi, Angel. I'm posting on Blue Sky right now. I just can't talk and type at the same time. Hold on. I have to log in, otherwise it's gonna take me 10 minutes to type my post. Please ignore barely. Happy, where did this come from? I'm so confused. Why were you talking about my shower? You've never been to my house? I think my shower smells quite good, like nice shampoo. Okay, I posted. I did it. No, Barely just made it up. I cannot believe this, Barely. Don't ignore Barely. Now I'm conflicted. All I know about Amanda, hold on, shower is her tile could dox her. That's not true. Hi, Beth. Welcome. Oh, Punk, you didn't know about Backlogged? Yeah, I love Backlogged. It's like Letterboxd, but for video games, and you get to like rank your favorite games and rate your favorite games and review your favorite games and stalk your friends' profiles and get game recommendations that way. It's great. Hi, Stevie. Listen to Barely. I'm so conflicted right now. The rumor is barely true. Really good one. Really, really good one, actually. Evidence is building. Okay. Ignore Barely. There's a poll. I want a letterbox, but for books that's not Goodreads. Weary, Storygraph. I still favor Goodreads over Storygraph because I've just used it for like 12 years, but Storygraph is pretty good. Storygraph is pretty good. Love your review of Disco. Glad you enjoyed it. Thank you. I need to go through and edit it because I was real tired when I wrote it. I don't think I was even like awake mostly. Did I say Stevie, thank you for the 3 stream streak? My brain is like lagging. I'm so sorry. Holy shit. Happy, I'm so sorry about your travel troubles today, but I hope that you are so cozy and relaxing today. So throw that vote out, mods. What vote? Oh no, the poll's actually kind of neck and neck right now. I'm going to make chicken nuggets. Yay. Hi, lovelies. Happy Tuesday. Wow. Hi, Travioka. That's a very nice series of emojis you have there. Looks very lovely. I hope you're having a good Tuesday. Okay, stream schedule for the week since I'm extremely sad about Disco Elysium ending. We're obviously playing Final Fantasy XIV today. I do think I want to try to play Tomodachi Life a few times before I start another really big game. Just because it's really hard for me to fit any kind of fun games into my schedule when I'm playing 2 chunky games at once. So we'll do a few weeks of Tomodachi Life. And then I think I'm gonna start Blueprints. I've been wanting to play Blueprints since it came out like a year ago. So I think it's time. Yeah, I feel it in my bones just a little bit. Yeah, I've really been in my Outer Wilds era again. And I know that all of my buddies who liked Outer Wilds love Blueprints. So I think I need it. You've rated E33 higher than I expected. Here's the thing about E33. I liked everything about it except for a few things. Were they things that I could talk about for a really long time that make me angry? Yes. However, I see a lot of potential for future games. This is my truth about E33. Blueprints makes me mad. Why, Tyra? Why? Play Outer Wilds 2 Secret of the Ooze. Oh, that's not real. One in chat if you voted to ignore me. Oh. I had to spend all of work in the Texas heat with no access to AC. Reverse, I'm so sorry. That's miserable. Blueprints? I probably did say it, honestly. I'd be happy with E33 being standalone. Yeah, I don't know. I don't want to talk too much about E33 because I know that like people still haven't played and I don't want to like talk spoilers. But I do think whatever like sequel they're gonna make to it is gonna be like very far removed from the main game. I don't know. I'm very curious to see what happens. So I like escape rooms, especially when they're intuitive and well done. If there's RNG in a puzzle game, I hate it. Okay, fair. Okay, fair. Tyra, have you played Outer Wilds? Just a thought. Oh, wow. I'm confused. I haven't yet. Outer Wilds might be more up your alley than Blueprints. That's all I gotta say. That's all I'm gonna say. Highly recommend. Pally Blued Burpints. Trevothie, I am confused. But yeah, I think I'm gonna Blueprints. I know that I said I want to play Final Fantasy 16, and I'm really sorry if anybody was like super excited for me to play Final Fantasy 16. I still think it's next on the list after Blueprints because I do really want to play it. I'm just craving a puzzle game so badly, and I want to fully be immersed in Final Fantasy 16 and not be wishing I was playing a puzzle game. So. Oh my god, Trav! Yeah, I think also some confusion with Outer Wilds is Outer Wilds and Outer Worlds were released in the same year. Like, holy confusion. Why would you do that? RNG was the worst part of Blueprints for me, but I think your love of Balatro and failing will help with that. Hey, what's you mean your love of Balatro?
Oh, and failing.
What the fuck? What did I do to deserve that? Oh, Stevie was the one who said Pally Blued burn pins. Okay, Stevie, that was really good. Sorry, Punk. It's true. I'm gonna push it back. I want to play a puzzle game so bad. I wish I could wipe my memory and just play Outer Wilds again. But yeah. Yeah, I did. It's okay. I bounced off Blueprints because of RNG and my small brain. Dawn, I don't know how you think you have a small brain when you finished Outer Wilds faster than literally any of our friends did. And also, no score for Portal. Okay, here's my thing about the games that I've logged and backlogged and the fact that I haven't rated most of them. If I played it so long ago, I can barely remember what my experience was. I don't feel like it's fair to give it a rating. I've only basically rated games I've played in the past 2 to 3 years because I don't think it's fair to rate it when I don't even remember the experience. The only exception to this rule was Outlast, because I hated that game and I hated playing it for every second that I was playing it. And it is the worst game I've played in the history of gaming. And that is why I rated a game I played in 2020. So, yeah. An outlier, not a fair measurement of brain girth. I don't know, Dawn, because you're also doing very similar things with the DLC where you're blowing through it at a rate that is wild to me. So, me still rating games I played 20 years ago, that's okay, Jiraxo. I just don't feel comfortable enough giving ratings to things when I don't really remember how I felt about them. Didn't change my life. 4 out of 10. Hi, Fiorin, welcome in. Thank you for your cat bats. Small is an acronym. Oh. Yes, exactly. Super, mega, omega, large. Yes, perfect. Yeah. Whoa, hi B, welcome in. I'm that way with movies on Letterboxd. I mark the things that I watched long ago as watched, but with no rating. Yes, weary, same. Like some of my movies that are in my liked category in Letterboxd, I literally don't have a rating on them. It's just like I remember that I like them a lot, but I haven't watched it recently, so. Okay, I'm gonna run a prediction for Scrandle, and then we'll Scrandle, and then we'll get back into MSQ. I'm not gonna spoil anything from MSQ, but I'm just gonna say I had to leave off on a diabolical cliffhanger. Diabolical for the past week. So, I'm excited. 1 second. Okay, gambling time. Gambling time. Yeah, I was making it, Tara. We're good. Where's Kim? Kush. I'm gonna start crying if you ask me about Kim. Oh yeah, I forgot to say. I joined a stream team. I was accepted to Cosmic Hearts. I'm probably gonna be able to put like a little command for it in my commands, but it's a stream team dedicated to like charity. We do a lot of charity stuff, and I'm very excited. So yeah, I got accepted today, and there's I retweeted something on my Blue Sky about it if you want more info. But yeah, I need to set up commands and stuff, so I'm sorry, there's literally zero info here, but yeah, I'm very excited. I'm very, very excited. Claire is also in it, and Ellie, and like a ton of people. Ari, yeah. Chabone, hi, welcome in. Okay, I'm fully scrambled up, give me a second. Ham, that's not true and you know it. I don't think I want any points anymore. Oh. Why? Amanda streamed Friday? Wait, why? I heard a rumor Twitch streamer XIV wants to collab for Four Lords content completion. Wait, why? Why does Gira want to collab? I could do it, but why? Oh, charity. Wait, good one. I miss when we could make you jump off whatever you were and only up as an incentive. That was an incentive. It was for my chair. It was for funding my chair because my old chair was so bad and it was hurting my fucking back so bad. And I just want to say, this chair was expensive as hell, but thank you guys for funding it for me because my back issues have gotten so much better since I've gotten this chair. I like cannot even exaggerate how much better my back feels. So, no, I didn't eat the old one, guys. I just thought of something really sad. This is where my camera was for Disco Elysium. It's never gonna have to be here ever again. I'm starting to get sad again. No. No more Kim. You made me lose my stream streak. I'm sorry that my stream crashed last time. Sorry. Don't know what I can do. Sorry, Weary. I will say, Disco Enjoyers, I'm thinking about editing my playthrough down for YouTube for my main channel. I think I could maybe do it justice, hopefully. Knowings of Cheesemake is gobby secret. Cheesemake. Gira was saying she's going to finish Four Lords next time she streams, and she was like, oh, maybe and I can, okay, wait, so I think Gira's a liar because I think I have finished Four Lords. I think I just haven't done the completion quest after finishing it. I'm pretty sure I finished it, so. No spoilers, no spoilers, no spoilers, no spoilers. We're not in 14 yet. We have people who haven't gotten very far into the game in chat right now. No spoilers until I'm in MSQ, please. Please. You know what? I think Gira's mistaken, but I could check to make sure. Whatever you do, don't only get 0 to 1 right. Why? Why? What happened? Also, Ophi's crawling to get, like, clawing at my door. Give me a second. Rap 960, thank you for the 42 months. That's huge. I'm right here. Thank you. I appreciate it. Draxo, thank you for your cap hats. Okay, so this looks really good. No, I'm me. Don't worry. I'm me. I'm me. I'm me. What's up, Joby? I can't say that the 40-year Chocobo Wars at the end of the DLC end in a stalemate. No spoilers, please. The Snoop Dogg or 5 sugar donuts. I think I gotta go for the 5 sugar donuts. The amount of sauce on this guy is not real. There we go. Okay. Cheese and onion panini. Or the grossest cheeseburger that's way too cold ever. Yeah, some of the dates on the quotes are messed up from before I tracked the date on them. So like quotes 1 through 10 I think have messed up dates. But there's like a possibility that on December 31st, 2000 I said boobs. I'm not sure though. Maybe. 4 chicken tenders with chips for $13.10 or but oh my god, these look better. Ophi's standing on my mixer. Hold on. Okay. That cheeseburger looks
Nasty. It looks nasty. It looks nasty. That doesn't even look like food. Okay, Scrap. You're built different. You're not like other girls. It's mush. It's mushy.
I do think it's cheese, but it's nasty. Salt and pepper calamari or cheesy nachos. And the cheese, they can't even melt the cheese. They can't even melt the cheese. What kind of nachos are those? Those are just tortilla chips with cheese sprinkled on top of them. Audacity to call them nachos when the cheese isn't even melted. That's what I'm saying. That's some audacity. Whatever. Okay, wow. Got the stamp on the burger and everything, but wow, tacos, a burrito, and fries for £9? Feels like a really good deal. Feels like a really good deal. Okay. Hey, at least that cheese is semi-melted. I can give it that at least. But I think I would rather have the steak roll. So. Hey, Trev, what did you mean about the burger? I literally can't even see this. Both of these pictures are ass. But the fact that this is 14 pounds is ridiculous. Yeah, it actually has some melted cheese. Oh my God, look at those pickled jalapenos. Okay, these make me mad every time I see them. They make me so angry. Like I feel anger in my soul. The left one is nice. Ophi keeps stepping on my keyboard like she's gonna mess something up. Okay. I don't know between these two. I genuinely don't know between these two. As someone who hates onions, this might be the worst scrandle ever. I'm sorry. I didn't. We got a perfect score. Did anyone vote for a perfect score? Anyone? You let me down? It's very bold to say when I got a perfect score. You should have just believed in me. You should have just believed in me. So. Oh God, nobody thought this would happen. Wow. Nobody believed in me. You would have gotten 120,000 channel points if you believed in me. If one person in my chat believed in me. Ari, I'm so sorry. Did you mean to do that? Was that purposeful? Is it too late to predict? Yeah. I am adding all of you. No one believed in me. I have the right to be a little bit offended as a treat. As a treat, I deserve it. I'm so sorry. Ari, why did you just throw them away? Scrap, what color? 25K is not... Okay, wait, hold on. Scrap, what are you doing? Are you just purposefully throwing your points away? Magic, I'm sorry. Wymo, you were believing in a perfect score because literally no one believed I would get a perfect score, and then everybody lost out on channel points because of it. So, whatever. Sorry, guys. I thought someone would get them. I'm sorry, I didn't realize nobody voted. I'm sorry. Hi, Kimchi, welcome. Okay, I'm going to open Final Fantasy XIV. I am going to maybe do some crafting. I'm maybe gonna do some crafting, and then we're gonna do MSQ. So let's hold off on MSQ spoilers for a little while longer while I do some crafting. Yes, I want to do a couple of my turn-ins. I usually try to do the starred turn-ins that I don't have at level 100, so. Wait, Scrap, what color do you want the lights? I'll have orange, please. Scrap 960. It's orange. Is that not? I'm being trolled. Thank you. Okay, yeah, you're welcome. Wow. That was so easy. I'm watching the game. Also, in other news, I cleared my second ever extreme. Thanks to people in Himbo. We did it first try, by the way. It was one of the Endwalker extremes. I'm not gonna be specific about it because, again, spoilers, but yeah. 20 stream streak! Wow! Can I borrow 1,000,000 snoints? I don't know. Oh, you meant snoints, not channel points. Yeah, it was synced. It was synced down to level 90. Yeah. I discovered there's an umbrella red mage weapon. That's beautiful. Ari, that's gonna be perfect. I love MSQ. Crafting so much. Really good one. Really good one. And it's dyeable. Okay. Huge. I don't know why my game's not launching. Sorry, guys. I think we're good now. It does cost like 2 million. Oh. Is it craftable? Can someone craft it for you? Whoa! Toji, huge. Amanda's gonna clear everything at mid-eye level and it's terrifying. I don't remember if we did mid-eye level. I wasn't in charge of queuing. Probably we did. I don't know. I just trusted the people setting it up and then we cleared it first try and it was very fun. I would assume so, but who knows? Okay, hopefully volume's good. Hi, Pillow. Thank you for your cat pass. Welcome in. Toji, log on. Log on. Easy fix. Thank you, Reverse. It was a lot of fun. I think I really like extremes. I think I don't know if I would like anything like any harder than extremes, at least right now. I think I want to learn my jobs very thoroughly before I try like super hard content. And then once I feel like really confident in my rotations and stuff, I think I would definitely be interested in trying harder stuff. I really enjoyed the extremes I did, so. Wow. I need to go back to my horse balls. In case anybody's like really confused about Trev is playing Red Dead Redemption. If that clears anything up. Oh no, I don't know if hold on. We need to check my gambling. 1 second. I have never played Crystalline Conflict in my life. I don't know anything about it. I only know the one PvP. It's pretty fun. Since you're enjoying this game, would you consider Peggle 2? No. Thanks for asking, though. It's like Frontline, but less time and. Do we think Dawn's gonna finish the sentence? Okay, well, nope. Well, huge, horrible luck. I think that my lottery tickets are going to be expired. I think I forgot. So. Hello? Oh. I don't know what Peggle Knights is. Since you're enjoying this game, would you consider old school RuneScape? No, I'm sorry. Yeah, Mini Crackpot hates me. Oh! I do have tickets. Look at me. Huge. Wow, 3 consolation prizes. Look at me. I love that. Wow, nice 67. Oh, no. Here we go. Yeah, ugh. Yeah, you kind of just gambled like half your points away. Oh, that's unfortunate. Wow. That was really scary. Did you keep your cowgirl glam? Yeah, I did. I did. It's still on one of my glamour plates. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep it. I think I'll probably keep it for a while. I think there are a few glams I would rotate out before that one. I need more glam plates. I need 30 and then I'll be good. Empirical evidence. What do you mean? Oh, Tara has the zoomies. Okay, nice zoomies. Okay, I'm gonna go craft. Just a little bit. Just a little bit of crafting. Thank you for the follow, I appreciate it. Starts with 30 and then needing 40. No, I would never need 90. I would never need 90. I would be so happy with 30 glam plates. Maybe if they want to be really nice, 40. And maybe if they want to be really, really, really nice, 50. But I don't need more than that. Who needs 50? I think that if you look at the amount of jobs that exist, right? It would be really fun to make a glam for every single job. But that's just not possible right now. So, this is my truth. I don't know. Yet. Okay. Our machinist and reaper are neck and neck for our second 100, which is very good. Very, very fun. Okay, let me see. I'm just gonna buy these guys off the market board. I still need to learn how to, gather. Oh no. I think we have to do this, and then we have to do this. Oh, wow. Look at that guy. Hello, Liz. Hello, Outer Wilds player Liz. How are you? I'm sick and tired of crafting. There's so much getting in the way of an ARR relic. I don't know anything about ARR relics, except for like a lot of people think they're frustrating. So I'm going to keep it that way personally. I'm going to simply not learn. So. Hi, Talon. How are you? It's very good to see you. This fish is called Spicy Pitbull. I'm still thinking about redacted. That's how it be. I need 5 of these. I guess I have to buy 7 of them and then put 2 back on the market board. I hate this. Oh wow, I'm doing great. How are you? I'm doing great. I am... Hold on, my inventory is really full. I'm doing great. I'm very sleepy today, but besides that, I'm doing great. Where's my... I think we're done now. Quick wave update. I'm listening. Hi, Roscoe. Welcome. And dies. Wait. Hold on. Wait, T-Mog. They're slowly working through a true transmog system like WoW has. Okay, I'm a silly goose. What is like a transmog system? So, I'm also thinking about Redacted. The same Redacted or a different Redacted. Who knows? That's the beauty of Redacted. Yeah, we can all think about Redacted together and all have very different feelings about Redacted at the same time because who knows if we're all thinking about the same thing or not. You graduated! Hello? Let's go! Huge! Congrats. I hope that post-grad stuff is so relaxing. I remember graduating and just needing like a 4-month break from everything. I was so burnt out. I hope you are not as burnt out as I was. Huge congrats. I lurk and turn volume down because Stacy has to be in my computer. That's okay, Ari. I hope you have fun gaming. I'm glad it's over. I am so glad that you're out of there. So glad. Congratulations. Hi, Rio. How are you? Oh, glamour, but like a catalog. Rather than physically storing the gear. Gotcha. This makes sense. Okay. I'm good, Rio. I'm good. I'm sorry if I've missed any messages, by the way. I'm trying so hard to keep up. I'm trying. Anything you pick up gets stored. Okay, very interesting. That feels much more ideal, but I've never played WoW or really any other game like this, so I don't really know how the systems are super different or not. The name of the system that WoW uses for changing armor, the key difference is once you pick up a piece. Oh, you have it registered forever. I think that would be kind of ideal for 14 because like sometimes I get a piece of armor in a dungeon and I don't need it at the time, and then I get rid of it, and then I like figure out that I want it for a glam, and then I've gotten rid of it, and I have to like go rerun the dungeon in order to get it, which is kind of frustrating. So everyone keeps sending messages really fast. Okay, mods ban this chatter. Holy shit. Oh, level 90 Reaper ring. I don't know if I actually need that. I think I have like a lot of stuff right now that is clogging up my inventory. Like it got really bad. I do need to repair this, but I don't know if I can. I think I have to do alchemist challenges in order to do this. I think we established that. I'll just put it in here for now. And then what do you guys do with orchestration roles that you already have? Do you just delete them? Get rid of them? Yeah, they have to fight the very old code. Maybe with 8.0 they'll be changing a lot of things. Like I know like they're doing the entire UI overhaul for 8.0, which was like really jarring to a bunch of people at FanFest. So maybe you put them in your butt. That's so fair. That's also super valid. Yeah. Oh, why do I have this level 20 thing in my inventory? Nobody needs a level 20 thing. I can get rid of that. Yeah, 8.0, like, it looks like a completely different game, which is kind of scary to me because I hate change, but hopefully it ends up, like, going really well. This is kind of cutie-ful. I feel like I would wear that with Pom-Pom's glasses. Okay, I'm not gonna actually do any inventory cleanup right now, but my inventory is getting real bad. I don't even know if I can craft right now. So, it is what it is. 7.0 is for graphics. 8.0 they're updating the skeleton in the game. I sense good change coming. I think it's gonna be good. I'm just gonna throw some stuff in my saddlebag for now. I need to throw this on the market board. And then I need to get rid of this. And then maybe we'll put this in here too. And then maybe we'll have room to craft 1 or 2 things before I start MSQ. Seems like they're aware that a lot of people who play the game just like change and they're attempting to ease folks into things as much as possible. Yeah, with the combat system and like all of the old classes being able to be played the way that they were. I definitely get that vibe. But also the fact that the new classes they introduced have to be played on the new system. It's like, okay, so I see that we're easing towards change here. So your boss plays Yakuza. Wow, W. Oh yeah, Punk, I checked the price on that one on the market board and it was very low. Very, very low. So okay, I'm gonna try to craft my 2-star items. Just because I'm trying to level my crafters. I need 4 of these. Use it to start fires. So fair. I lurk for spoilies. Sounds good, Rio. I hope that you have a good night. I am so looking forward to Rio Endwalker. I'm going to have so much fun. Okay, where's my... Here we go. Huge, high quality. Rio coming back as soon as you start MSQ. No! No. I need 4 of these. Not 36 of these. I hate when this happens. Okay. Whatever. It is what it is. Wait, is this Weaver? It starts getting hard towards like the, oh my god, my secondary is level 68. Oh my god, fix this. Girl, fix this. 75,000, 70,000. Okay, 25,000 isn't bad. For level 84, that's a huge upgrade. That's a huge upgrade. Okay. Boom. Hopefully that's better. I'll make you some stuff. No, it's okay. It's okay. I have level 90 crafting gear, Kimchi, so I'm just trying to get to like the next step. Like I have a set of level 70, level 80, and level 90 crafting gear. So it's just like towards the end stretch, towards the next level is when it starts getting hard for me. But we're good. We're good. I also have a level 87 jacket, so I think we'll be okay. Okay. Thank you for offering, though. I'm gonna make it, I promise. You do not have all of the materials. Oh. Boom. My brain interpreted Weaver like Weevil Beaver. Yeah. Even if Evolved is a bit rocky, I would prefer it over the current trajectory. We need the boat to be rocked to figure out what we really want. That's fair. I hate change, like, a lot. However, I have not played 14 for that long, and I only have literally 1 class at level 100. So I feel like I don't really have a lot of, I can't really have a big strong opinion about the combat changes when I like have never done super hard content or anything. So all I will say is that I really like playing Dancer as it is. I have so much fun with Dancer and so much fun with Reaper that I don't know if I can see myself like super enjoying a changed version of it that's more simple, but so I like it being complicated. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I don't know anything. TBH. How much is that gonna give me? 852. That's not gonna complete it. Huge. If they ever change the Dancer, Simon says, steps, I will riot. Can I be honest? I don't know the names of things. I just know the visuals of them. I probably should learn. I probably should learn. Don't boo me. I just look at things. Oh wow, okay. Quality? What is this? 925? I'll take that. Huge. Huge. Oh god, no, please! Please. No, please! In 96%. 96%. Huge. Most people know visuals over skill names. Okay, this is good because I feel really silly when someone is trying to explain something to me on one of the classes that I play and they keep on saying the skill name and I'm like, I don't know the names. You're gonna have to tell me what the little square looks like. I don't know the names. You gotta help me out. I'm a baby. I don't know what's going on. I look at my picture book, okay? Help me. Okay, so this one I feel like it's not going to be as easy, but it's fine. Well, 1065, I literally complete it. Let's go. There we go. And then we're gonna do, yeah, the sage rotations and the Reaper. When someone tries to explain the Reaper rotations, it just sounds like you're a demon from hell. Hold on, what are the Reaper skill names? Yeah, first you're gonna hit your Shadow of Death, and then you're gonna hit your Hell's Ingress, and then your Whirl of Death, and then your Bloodstalk. Like, holy shit! I'm scared! I'm chasing you with a cross! Get out! I also messed up my crafting because I got so scared. Make sure you're hitting those gallows, for sure. Dang. I messed up. I messed up. It's fine. I really messed up. That's okay. It is what it is. Fuck. Oh! You know what? I'll take it. 2 high qualities. Yup. Yup. And then we're just gonna do kimchi. Thank you, kimchi. It's very nice of you to do that. Thank you. That was very nice of you, kimchi. Okay. We're putting the second thing we made on the market board, and then 124. Oh my god. Market board stonks are up. I'm gonna put it up for 100,000. Asking for 124,000 for something just feels really rude. In my opinion, I can't do that morally. Okay, I'm gonna go do the rest of my turn-ins, and then it's MSQ time, and I can finally talk about the cliffhanger that I was left on last Tuesday, and I had to live with it for an entire week of my life. Also, I think I'm gonna have to make that one glam I've been talking about soon. So, I have 0 morals on the market board. Give me all of your gil. Okay. Maybe I need to take notes. I just think that there's going to be a point in MSQ coming up very shortly in which I'm going to need the one glam that I have been talking about. So, New Grandma. I wish that there was a title called New Grandma in this game. I would be wearing it all the time. Pom Pom is a grandma. Thank you for asking. Shit. I didn't mean to do that. Shout out Kimchi. Oh, my seals. I should have bought Coke. Wait, can you buy glamour prisms with this? No. Fuck. I'm out of glamour prisms. You can? Where? Like the other ones? Oh. I'm a silly goose, and I literally didn't know about the other categories. Guys, am I a silly goose? I didn't know about these two. I didn't know about any of these. Hello? I'm so goosed up right now. Hello? Whoa. Oh, Pom Pom looks so good in that. This is like peak Pom Pom. Wow. Okay, thank you for teaching this to me. I didn't know. Wait, scroll containing glyphs which read aloud invoke a sanction. A spell used by grand companies to temporarily enhance the properties of company-issued armor? Serpent storage bent? Guys, I didn't know about half of the Eorzean map? Purchased. Give me 99 glamour prisms while we're at it. Hello? Pom Pom is really scaring me. Oh. The firmament is full. What does that mean? What is that? Temporary 150% boost to all experience points earned from synthesis. Barding for your chocobo. Half barding for your chocobo. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna go put that Eorzean map in my room. Do I want an armoire? I don't know. Do I want a storage bench? Maybe. I've got priorities now. We don't talk about Weaver here? Why? Firmament is full. I can't get in. Can I? I'm asking a silly question. That is what is firmament. I feel like the silliest goose in the world. So. Oh! Ishgardian Restoration Zone. This makes sense. Okay. Selling 99 glam prisms is my main source of income. Wait! Is selling 99 glam prisms on the market board better than that's wrong. That's wrong. Better than Coke? Who made this the song, by the way? What have I? Oh. Wow. Who bought those? I just put those up 2 seconds ago. Thank you. Wow, look at Pom Pom earning money. Duck bones is instant gil. Wait, isn't the duck bones the things that you can't sell? I know there's one that you literally can't sell. I really need to change my wallpaper in my room. I've been trying to make it more cozy, but the wallpaper ruins the vibes. I need something cozier. I need to just do some streams of decorating in here, because I think I have some good ideas. I'm working on it. Kimchi! Hi, Kimchi. 1 second. I got... Oh, I didn't know you can sit on this. How cute. I got a new horse and I named it Boys Kissing, but it's kind of ugly. Oh, okay. Good night, J-Train. Thank you for hanging out. Thank you again for the resub. They sell consistently at like 124 low end, 199, sometimes 200-ish. Oh, I feel like Coke is actually better. Coke is anywhere from like 190 to 300. I think I've sold it for like 320 high end. So, yeah. No, I actually just needed glamour prisms though. I ran out of them somehow. Oh. Hello, Alfreyak. You can't talk about selling Coke on stream. Well, it's not the illegal kind, so. Kimchi! You can't just buy the things off the market board and give them back to me. Hi, Som. Yeah, you can buy my Coke off the market board in Final Fantasy XIV. Well, I'm gonna go put it back on the market board. So... Infinite kimchi glitch. Yeah. In-house buying to make fake demands. I did not plan this. I did not plan this. That was all kimchi. Kimchi! Kimchi, I knows you! I can see you up there! I can't believe this! MG! He ran away. Hi, Chungaze. Thank you for the raid. How was your stream? Thank you. Chungaze, hello. How was 14? What were you up to in 14? Thank you so much. Please go follow Chungaze. Kimchi, stop! No more kimchi. This is my last sale. We're doing re-clears. I hope it went well. I hope it went well. I tried to re-clear the Unreal and failed. But in my defense, I was really tired, so. This is like playing fetch, except for they bring back money along with the stick. Yes. Wow, very fun. Guys, I was in my crafting era like a few months ago and I needed a third retainer for it, and now I clearly am not in my crafting era, and now Taco's not selling anything. Nothing. Nothing. I immediately transfer all my gil out. I was just trying to see how much gil I could save up in here. Am I rich? I'm not rich enough to purchase the hair that I want in game, so I'm not quite as rich as I want to be. It looks satisfying that way. Yeah, I'm saving up for that one hair. What is it? Suddenly I forget what all the hairs are. Modern aesthetics, yeah. Which one is it? God, I didn't realize I didn't have like half times 2. Is this the... Wait, is it really? Is it really only 14? Can I afford it? Math! 3 million plus 7 million. Wait! 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 $3 million plus 7 million. It was 30 million when I started saving up. Do I do it? I'm running a poll. I'm scared. 14 million is so much. Do I buy the 14 mil gil hair? What if I don't like it on Pom Pom? What if I put it on her and I hate it? Like, I really fuck with her current hair. I think because the ultimate you can get it from can be unsynced now. Wait, what if I just wait a few more months? Then it'll be like 5 million. Yeah, a half times 2 is the hair. Can't you check the look in the inn? Can you? Hold on. I'm gonna check. I'm sorry, I'm getting distracted. Not many people are doing chaotic anymore, so I don't know how much more it'll go down. It'll probably drop to 10 mil at the most if you do the bed. Okay, I'm gonna check. I'm gonna see if you can. Hi, Drew. Thank you for your cat pats. Welcome in. Especially with the new ulti coming out. Okay, fair. Fair. Also, Chungies, if you have to raid and run or anything, please do whatever you gotta do. Sorry, I got distracted by the hair. But it's very good to see you. Thank you so much for the raid. Happy Tuesday, innit? So true. I'm doing great. I'm very sleepy, but... Wait, this is only online gear? I don't know if online gear will count for hairs. Thank you for the hydrate. I don't know. It's selling for 13 million on Ether. Maybe I gotta go. You can check it off stream. With the methods. I will hold off then. I will hold off then. And wait for methods. Whoa, look at Pom Pom Grahatia, guys, but you voted 9 to 1. I can also use those methods to check for you. Okay. Guys, Pom Pom looks so cool in this. Oh my god, maybe I will actually buy this. Pom Pom looks cool as fuck. Okay, now I'm gonna start spending money. What else are you gonna buy? I'm sure that there's other things that I would enjoy purchasing. I don't know. Wait a minute. Okay. Not to alarm anyone, but I'm making my bed and just had what I would consider to be a perfect sheet drape. What is the poll? If I should buy the hair. If I should buy this hair. Dangerous rabbit hole. I know. I know. I try not to look at the Mog Station stuff unless there's a sale going on because I don't like purchasing things. No. I'm thinking about it, Toji. I'm thinking about it. I really do like Pom Pom's current hair a lot. I feel like it fits her vibe extremely well. And this hair did not exist when I first wanted the other hair. So that's kind of where my much to think about comes in. Okay. Back to Reaper. Hello, my little strawberries. Wow, hello, Spoon Galaxy. Pom Pom still looks cool anyway, thank you. She's so cowgirl. She has a revolver too. Wait, to change your hair forever cold. That's so far away. Storm Talon, hello. The evening is going great. I'm very excited to start MSQing again. Can you make me into a beefy Hrothgar? That's a great question, Kimchi. I love a hair change for a new X pack. I have done like major hair changes almost every X pack. This is true. I think that this has been my Dawntrail hair. My post Endwalker hair was like the two buns, the two low buns. My Endwalker hair was like the long hair with the horns. My Shadowbringer's hair was, I think it was a mix between the one braid with the ponytail, and then at the end I changed it to like the long low ponytail. Yeah, I also changed, no, I changed her skin tone. When did I change her skin tone? It was before Endwalker, yeah. It was in post Shadowbringers, I think. That's when I changed her skin tone. I've been trying to make it look like Emers's hair has been slowly growing since the start. Wait, I kind of love that. But what's next? There's not many hairs that are longer. I'm shaking. What are you gonna do? I think I'm going to sell boys kissing. Oh, why? You don't like boys kissing? Oh, I'm sorry, Trev. That's really sad that you don't like boys kissing. You're changing to a bunny or a Lala for Evercold? Wow, okay. Well, honestly, based on the Evercold trailer, I'm going to be staying Azalea. So, maybe she will get a big chop. Whoa, okay. Guys, I put a blanket on my bed in efforts to lure Ophelia to come sleep on it, and it worked, and she's maybe the warmest ball of fur I have ever pet in my whole life. And she's really soft, and she's like so cuddly, and she's basically curled herself into the teeniest, tiniest ball ever. Zayla stocks rising, yes. Yes. Okay. I am going to spent Dawntrail MSQ as a Hrothgar instead of a Miko and accidentally cosplayed a metaphor character. Oh, whoa. Metaphor character. I don't know if I know that. Now I have cat envy. Sorry. She's so soft. I really like the thing Nina does where she fantas for fun time between patches and then goes back to Lala Mimo for story content. Yeah. I kind of have done that I did that briefly in post Stormblood and briefly in post Shadowbringers for charity, but I only really like doing it when I'm in post patches, and not during MSQ. Because I like to do MSQ as Pom Pom, you know? Yeah, the very brief Bun era. I kind of miss Bun Pom, but I do believe that this is Pom Pom now and she cannot be changed permanently or for long periods of time. So. La Laurie. I have not played Metaphor. No. No, I haven't gotten around to it. Maybe. I don't want to say like soon, but maybe. No. I didn't say that, Weary. I just feel like a little bit better about it during post patches than base content. I did it for charity both times, and it's just like the charity streams just happened to fall during post patches both times magically. So I don't know. Okay, I've been stalling starting MSQ. Pom Pom wasn't Aura originally, but she was a Rayan. She had like the same face, like same exact facial features, but just she was a Rayan. And her hair was more of like a bright red and her skin tone was like a light green. So it's just Zayla doesn't have any green skin tones. Did she know she was an Aura or believe herself to be a Moogle? This is a great question. She probably was both. Meta snore. I am pummeled into the ground swiftly. Wow. Wow, that's bold. Guys, I have to take a picture of Ophi and show you right now. Holy shit. Like the way I have successfully lured her. Oh my goodness. Guys, you are not gonna believe this. This is literally what she looks like. Focus! Focus! Do you see that cat? Do you see how she's laying? I don't know if you can see it. Focus! 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 Please focus! Please! The best you can do. Ow, I just hit my funny bone. He looks so cute and she's like purring. She looks so cute. Wow. Wow, your tummy's so soft. Wow. Cancel Gemini Princess. Yeah, that's my princess. It's true. It doesn't look like anything to me. I'm sorry. I can put it in Discord after stream so you can see it. That's my Gemini princess. Wait, should I take my hat off? Does that help? Sorry. Ugg is helping me with something that you guys can't know about. Love Ugg's glam, by the way. So cutieful. Wait, what is that skirt? Don't tell me that's a market board skirt. I'm gonna get really mad. It's a market board skirt. Well. Oh, brother. Whoa, I did not realize this dye matched Pom Pom's hair so well. Oh no, my wallet. I just sold Boys Kissing. Is this a good thing? Should I be clapping? Are you gonna get another horse? What are you gonna name it? If you get another horse, like what's its name gonna be? I love this skirt. Oh god, Mog Station is way too tempting. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Oh, fuck my life. I gotta go to Mog Station. This bow looks so cute with her hair. This bow looks so cute with her hair. Are you kidding me? This one is older. I'm pretty sure it goes on sale semi-often. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, wow. Thank you for the images. Can I say something controversial, Ugg? I don't know what you think. I don't know if it fits her vibe. For 14 million gil. I don't know. What are your thoughts, Ugg? I kind of agree. Wow. Wow. Can you believe the hair? The hair that I saved up for almost an entire year doesn't fit Pom Pom's vibe. Good to know before I purchase, huh? Really good to know before I purchase. I think if it ever went down to like 8 million, I would buy it. But I don't know. That's true. I can buy Wind Up Adonius. How much is Wind Up Adonius right now? Do I even want to know? Do I even want to know? Probably 30 million still, right? Where do you get that? I don't know where you get that. $40 million? I'm gonna cry. It was worse than we thought. It was so much worse than we thought. Holy shit, it's gone up in price. Wow. Wow. Holy shit. Okay. Yeah, maybe I just need to buy a bunch of Endwalker treasure maps. But then what if I was doing treasure maps, hypothetically, right? And we got the Wind Up Adonius drop, and then somebody needed it and won it instead of me. Then what? And what if then they put it on the market board for 90 million gil? Hi, Alana, how are you? Good evening. Vampire emoji. Okay, for those of you who are in chat and are trying to avoid spoilers for Dawntrail, unfortunately I'm going to have to tell you to leave right now. I've been stalling for an hour and a half, so we gotta get back to it. Then you commit an act of physical violence. Bruce, I think I would be pushed to it. It's true. It's definitely unethical to sell Wind Up Adonius. I guess some people are haters. Toji, I know you. You're caught up, Toji. You're caught up. I too like to get angry at hypothetical situations. It's called anxiety weary. I farmed the guarantee portal maps for those minions specifically. Where do you get those maps? Where do you get those maps? Okay. Oh. 3 alarms is far too few to wake me as real as hell. I don't wake up until like my 5th alarm. Okay, so we left off on a cliffhanger. I'm gonna start talking about MSQ right now. So if you don't want major Dawntrail spoilers, you gotta lurk right now. Oh my god, can I please say the correct word? We ended stream on a huge cliffhanger, which was Gulul Jaja dying, and then Zoralja being like, I have an army, you have to come and fight my army. So basically, we're gonna do that. Chelsea! Oh no, it's really good. Spruce, I couldn't talk for a second there. My brain had a sentence and my mouth was like, I'm not gonna say it. Chelsea when she sews. Chelsea, good one. Really, really good one. Do we not have agreeing? Do you want to be a BTTV emote editor? Oh my god. So I kind of forgot that their dead bodies were still on the ground. Low-key. Low-key forgot about that. Okay. Well, I didn't... Okay, it wasn't purposeful, Roscoe. It wasn't purposeful. I had to play Disco Elysium, okay? It was a really dire situation. Yeah, we had a really eventful stream last week, so did not mean to gritty on their bodies. Okay, I do want to say, for anybody who was not here when I talked about this, I thought Alice had some gall to say we did everything we could. I've been hung up on that for the whole week because we didn't do anything. We just stood there. BTW. I'd like to inform y'all that the Hell and Heaven window are still active. The Heaven window is strong as hell, while the Hell window has waned a bit recently. Scrap, this is like a huge update. Thank you so much for updating us. Wow, we did everything we could. So true. He's still breathing. Why is he still breathing? Hello? Why is his body moving? Why is... Bro is alive! Stop faking dead! He faked his dead! Oh my god! Does absolutely nothing. Not a single solitary thing. We did everything we could. Me when... You know what? I was gonna say like me when I'm at work, but I can't make jokes like that. What if my boss finds my Twitch channel? I just drowned. I think God is punishing me for selling boys kissing. Trev, holy shit. Are you going to get a new horse? Kedenram looks like no I shan't. What does he look like to you? Okay, well. No time for tears. You know who this sounds like? I can't say his name. How could this happen? I'm sorry, girl. Okay, Trev. I'm fingers crossed for you. Also, if it's too quiet, please tell me. Why is he still breathing if he's dead? I'm confused.
Enough.
Oh, okay.
I am beyond saving.
Okay, he wasn't dead yet. I got it. I got it. We're good.
Father, please. You can't give up. Are you there, oh friend?
I'm right here. I'm right here.
Look after my children.
What? I'm an old fossil like you. I've only got so many years left. But if that's what you want, it would be an honor.
Okay, man with the pretty blue eyes.
You You and I must go on another journey together someday.
Okay, the Grahatia tether.
Aye, you can count on it.
Oglamat. Kona.
Oh, honey, I'm so sorry.
Yes, Papa.
The graves of the Yokwi. You saw them, yes? I always found their teachings comforting.
Oh my god.
Please, Father, you must save your strength.
Our flesh may wither and die, but so long as we are remembered, we are never truly gone. Through you, my hopes survive. Through you, I live on. So do not mourn me. Walk tall and see our nation to a brighter future.
Well, ugh. Yuck. This is a great note to start MSQ on today. Hi, Jordan. Hi, Church. Okay. Yeah, we did have 6 whole days to save him, and we didn't, so. Wow. This is... Okay. What can we do now? That's a great question. Whoa! Twitch user Captain Claire, thank you for the raid. I'm so glad that you didn't raid like 2 minutes ago because we were in the most spoileriest cutscene in the whole world. Ever. Hi Claire, how was your stream? How is Chance of Sonar going? Do you think that I would like it? Hello, hello. Ash, hello. Munchkin, hello. Snapple, hi, welcome in. Also, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Welcome in. Please follow my friend Claire. Claire is playing a puzzle game that like a lot of people who I know really enjoyed playing Outer Wilds enjoy. That looks very, very interesting. Also, I don't know if music is too loud. I'm sorry. Method, thank you for your cat pats. You liked Outer Wilds. You would like Chance. Okay. I think you would like it. It's so fun and cool and puzzly. Okay. Whoa. Wait, so true. Hold on. I have one of those too. Where's mine? We're like twins, Claire. Wait, I can gigantify it for free. Hold on. Where is it? I can't find it all of a sudden. There we go. Wow. Hi, Flair. Welcome in. Yes, I do stream. I've streamed for so long. Hi, Heath. Yeah, I'm kind of old. It doesn't have the exact same vibes, but it's definitely discovery-based, and I love a discovery-based game. So I was thinking, I just finished Disco Elysium on Saturday, and I cried a lot. But I was like, I think that I want to play a puzzle game next. So I think I'm gonna bloop I think I'm gonna blueprints. And then I don't know what we're gonna do, but I think it's bloop time. Yeah, apparently I said that in 2000. Claire, if you have to raid and run, please do whatever you gotta do. You streamed late. Claire, what the heck? You streamed so late for a Captain Claire. I think you would like Chance. Okay. Okay. Oh god, I always forget whatever I was doing when a raid happens. Hello raiders, if you don't know me, did I already say this? I don't know. My name's Amanda. I play a lot of RPGs and story games. I have been playing Final Fantasy XIV on stream for the past year and a half. And we just finished Disco Elysium on Saturday. I also really like the Persona franchise and PG3. Welcome. Lurk for sleeps. Thank you so much, Izzy. Thank you for the lurk. Hi, Sora. Welcome in. Hello. As everyone knows, I get stupid after 10 p.m. What were you doing, Claire? Just after? Oh no! Snapple, did you raid Claire and then Claire raided me? Because this kind of like a Snapple raid. That's my secret, Claire. I'm always stupid. Okay, there we go. No, that's fine. Snapple can take credit. I don't think Claire will care very much. It's okay. Yeah, it's just like a little afterwards. It's fine. We can make it count. So Flair, basically, I, cried myself into a headache at the end of Endwalker, and it was so bad. Hi, Mornay. Thank you so much for the 5 gifted subs. If you got a sub, please thank your gifter. Ophelia wants to say hi. She's purring very loudly. I don't know if you can hear her purrs, but she's purring real loud right now. Real loud. Wow. Hi. You are cutie patootie. Yeah. It's okay. I think Final Fantasy XIV Endwalker is the best game I have ever played in existence, so this is my truth. I really want to buy Magic the Gathering cards, but instead I'm spending my money here. Morny! Buy your Magic the Gathering cards! Oh, friends call me Blue? Oh, okay. That's fine. I can make a note of that. Give me a second. Yeah, just let me know if anybody has like another name they want to be called. Okay, I made a note. I was struggling with a puzzle that I fear I will understand immediately next time I play, and I was talking about being bendy and almost put my foot in my mouth. Claire, what do your enemies call you? That's a good question. Oh, so true, Dawn. Okay, I forgot. I always forget everything I should do when I get raided, but Claire, if you have to raid and run, do whatever. Yeah, I still have 2 versions of the foot emote because I don't have all of my new emotes for my new batch of emotes in. So I have extra. Hold on. Liz, why did you say Gandalf show hole? You know what? I don't remember the context for it, and I honestly don't know if I want to remember it. Yeah, there's 2 of them. Because I have extra emote slots. So I was like, why delete it? I don't remember. Okay. This is why we have... You've never seen Lord of the Rings. You do know my cat is named Frodo, right? And you've never seen Lord of the Rings? Wow. Okay. Readers, I'm going to warn you that I am very far into Dawntrail MSQ. We're on MSQ 96, so we are extremely far into this game in general. So if you have to lurk for spoilers, I completely understand. We are literally... Current content is at level 100, so we are getting so close. So close. Hi, Ellie. It's good to see you. I hope that you're doing well. You've never seen Lord of the Rings. Guys, do we have to do a Lord of the Rings movie night in Discord? It's gonna be a long-ass movie night. Thank you, Ellie. I appreciate it. I'm so happy. Ari, be nice. Ari. Ari. So many people have never seen the pure bliss that is the Shire. I know, Dawn. Do we need to watch it if Frodo is right here with us? Yes, we do. Extended edition. I'm allowed to be mean to Ellie. Okay. Gotta trust that, I guess. Okay, one more spoiler warning for people who are trying to avoid Dawntrail MSQ spoilers, just because I don't want to ever spoil anything from this game for anybody. Yeah. I'm gonna start again, I'm sorry. Liz told me a long time ago that they don't want to see the Lord of the Rings yaoi. Why? It's like one of the best tropes in the whole world. It's just like the bestest friends in the whole world, and they're definitely in love with each other. Definitely. Y'all hear something. Wow! You make the rules in your space. You could save me from Ari's meanness that I endure everywhere else. Okay, so Ellie, what if I temporarily gave you lead mod and then you unmodded Ari and banned Ari? And then I unlead modded you. I could do it at any moment. Deleted by Ari. Okay, Ophi's here. Don't judge me, but I really truly forgot who the Lord of the Rings yaoi is. Guys!
It's literally Frodo! Frodo and Sam!
Sam and Frodo! From the Lord of the Rings! That's the yaoi! Anyways...
Literally, like that, Sean Austin, who played Sam. Okay, not canonically, technically. If you read into it, it's there. However, literally the actor for Sam, Sean Austin, in an interview, he was like, there was a lot of time between all of the movies. How do you know the characters didn't kiss? How did you know that they didn't kiss? How do you know that? You don't know that. He thinks that Sam and Frodo should have kissed, and he acted one of them. There is yaoi if you watch and you believe, Liz. That's true. The entire fellowship, gay polycule. We can think about it that way too. That's fair. It's implied. Why would he kiss Frodo when Gollum is right there? I know you're trolling. There's yaoi everywhere for people with eyes to see it, yeah. And when you watch The Lord of the Rings with yaoi in mind, whole new worlds open to you, and then you see God. So, that's all. Wait, Trev, what did you say? Hold on, I missed it. I'm so sorry. I just tried to mount my horse, but I accidentally choked a woman next to it. Sexist! Sexist! Faramir would have had monogamous relationships with the entire fellowship without having to share them. Okay. Not IRL. Thank you for putting Trev in the worm box. Okay, I'm so sorry. I am Saruman and Gandalf yaoi. I see the vision, Weary, and I like it. I like the vision. I do. I think what I want to do is finish reading the Lord of the Rings books, rewatch the movies, and then dive into AO3. Low key. So, book Faramir clears movie Faramir. I gotta reread the books. I gotta reread them. Okay, Ari. I need to actually, like, finish my reread. Wormbox voice. There aren't enough people to choke in here. Oh my god, someone get him out of there. Get him out of there. Okay, spoilers are on your screen. Be careful. Golo Jaja was so proud to be succeeded by his children, to think that he will never get to see them carry on his legacy. Okay, that's good. That's really good. Okay, Ari, you hate Trev. Just say it. At a time like this, we must take initiative. There will be countless people in need of help. I don't understand. Only I had been more careful. I did say that, didn't I? We must see to the people, assess casualties as well as any damage done to the city. True. True. No, Tara, I'm definitely not. Ellie, did you want Ari banned? Right, so, Valwoklamat, Valkona, I bring word from the city. The enemy has withdrawn and the Landsguard have begun rendering aid to the people. Casualties within our ranks have hindered progress, but we continue to do all that we can. I thank you for your report. Please inform the guard that they are to prioritize such efforts until further notice. Are you barking at Kona in these breathing times, Elle? Oh yeah, I did see a clip of Liz punching their horse in Red Dead Redemption, and I never thought about them the same. So, the people, I need to help them. We will assist you in whatever way we can, of course. Thank you, thank you. There are sure to be wounded everywhere, more than I could count. We'll split up and help all of them. You can count on us. No, Al, it's okay. I'm mostly joking. You're fine. Alphino and Alice, could you take Bayside Bevy and Kryl and Aaronville take the palace perimeter? As for Pom Pom, please come to the Resplendent Quarter with me. We'll all meet back here afterwards. I think I gotta change out of my cowgirl fit. We're back in the city. I think I need my cutie beach attire. Kona had 8 business days to grieve while watching his dad die, so I think he's good by now. So, I didn't mean to leave myself on a cliffhanger like that. I sold Kissing Boys before I had an opportunity to punch it. Wild message. Wild message. All right, we're back to our beach attire. Can I jump over this? Yes, thank God. Hi, Oz, how are you? Where am I going? Oh, all the way. That was more in reference to everyone standing around while he got killed, not the delay in between your streams. Okay, you know what? True. True. Okay. Where are we? Befuddled citizen. Okay, low-key, if my city was getting attacked and people were killing everyone, I would just personally climb into this box right here and hide. But that's just me. Galu Jaja was coughing up blood for a week while watching you prance with Kim Kitsuragi. Well, and I think I personally had the right to do that. And I think that he probably enjoyed it. You're a coward. Okay! So, my mod, Trevathy, chokes women and also calls them cowards. Wow. Okay, we gotta get this guy out of here. For real. Lead mod, by the way. Thank you. I thought I was done for. I heard something disturbing. The enemy leader, they say he looked like Zeralja. But that can't be true, can it? Why would the first promise attack his own people? But if it was him, what happens now? Is he going to come back? What do we do if he does? So basically, we're gonna kill him. I hope that clears things up. Oh my god! You're so tiny! Are you a baby? I feel maternal. I feel really maternal all of a sudden. That's a baby. I think I have to do this quest or else I'm gonna get really sad. Hey lady, will you help me? Earlier today I got a pretty painting of the city from a Chitona painter and I showed it to my mom and she really liked it. Then she sent me to deliver this fruit as a thank you gift, but now the painter isn't here anymore and you don't know what to do. Could you help me look around? Yeah. Yay! Okay, so the painter was going to make one more picture, like this. Oh! Pretty. Which means wherever we can see this view, that's where we'll find him. Okay. Let's go find the painter. The picture shows the rooftops and harbor from above, so it must have been taken up from somewhere high. Okay. Let's go find a trusted adult. Look at this tiny baby. Pom Pom has a kid now. I don't beef with babies, okay? I waited for like 9 months for my retainer to bring me a baby minion, and Jordan slapped it and called it a worm. Oh. Kick it? Even no. I'm not kicking it. I'm helping. I'm helping the poor baby. Also, you don't remember this segment because it's not MSQ. It's a baby. Oh, did I go too high? I went too high? Oh, I definitely went too high. That read like a pregnancy announcement. Wait, I waited. Wait, what read like a pregnancy? Oh my god. Oh my god, the rumors are true. MSQ is a beautiful name for a baby. Is it over here? Oh, I think it's this circle right here. Which is like, I'm close to it, but I just don't know where to go. MSQ! Wait, that kind of slams, like a little bit. I think we're close. Little tiny child, I will help you find the person you're looking for. Little tiny child, I don't think this is where. Okay. Good chance it was orphaned, so you can probably just take it. Okay, you know what? Horrible! Horrible! Look, I found a trusted adult. This person will adopt the kid. Don't worry. Wow. Very beautiful Chitona painter. I'm barking at you. Greetings, traveler. Oh, I see you've brought the little Mamolja from earlier. I was looking all over for you. My mom said to give you this as our thanks for the pretty painting. I'm afraid to turn my game back on. What if it loads and my hands are around someone's neck? Trev, is this like a likely thing to happen? Wow. Okay, a little worried about that vibe. You came all this way just to thank me with a snack? You're far too kind, little one. 'Twas little more than a doodle. I was rewarded by the smile on your face. I take it you're her chaperone then? Thank you for looking out for her. Wait, I have a question, guys. These little armbands that this NPC is wearing, what are they? Does anyone know what they are and where I can purchase them? Thank you. This town has a special place in my heart. We should tone our long-lived people, and I have had the good fortune of watching the community sprout up from nothing. 93 dungeon. Okay, noted. I used to think this country would never amount to much, but seeing all these vibrant cultures thriving here alongside one another in harmony, I wish to immortalize its beauty with what talent yet remains to me. Oh, AR thing. Endwalker AR thing. Oh, interesting. What is that message, Justin? You must really love Tuliyollal, huh? Well, don't worry. Me and my mom are going to love your painting forever and ever. It's an honor, little one. Now then, seeing as I've finished my current painting, I think it's time I found a new vista to admire. I hope to see you around, friends. Okay, yeah. Not like the city was just violently attacked or anything. Have fun. Wow, Trev. I never really thought about how pretty our town is. I feel like I learned something today. I did not say that in 2000. Thanks again for helping me find the painter, lady. I'm gonna take good care of this picture. That I will. But before you go, here, this is for you. What did they give me? Hypostatic healing casting. Okay. Second Endwalker Alliance raid. Thank you. Oh, apparently we don't talk about women in here. Wow, I cannot believe that. I'm ready to be canceled. Jordan at the scene of the crime. Wow. I told Mornay it was those and he didn't believe me. Okay, hold on. Second Endwalker Alliance raid gear. I think we have to run the Endwalker Alliance raids is my... Oh my god, I don't think I got any of the glams from the second Endwalker Alliance raid because those are beautiful. Wow. Yeah. I think I need to run those again. I don't know if I've ever seen them before, which is wild. Hello, Bruce. How are you? The raid glams are so hot. God. I need to do more. I don't know. I just never queue Alliance raid roulette because they take so goddamn long. I feel like this chat still fails the Bechdel test. What do you mean this chat fails the Bechdel test? We need... No, because every stream we need to go out of our way to make sure the stream does not fail the Bechdel test by the end. And by doing this, I don't have a plan, actually. Thank you. The pain is better now, but I can't stop shaking. Where did they come from? Why did they attack us? And why are those things still in the sky? We had peace under Golo Jaja. We were safe, but now, well, one of his kids went rogue. It's not his fault. The man was a loser and he didn't know how to accept the loss. And now look at us. Parkour. No, fuck my life. I wanted to do parkour and now look at me. Fuck. I never queue them because I'm busy. Hey Trev, wanna queue the Endwalker Alliance raid? With Pom Pom? On one hand, no, but on the other hand, it would be funny. I have things to do. Trev, do you want to cue, the third Endwalker Alliance raid? With Pom Pom? Thanks. I think I'm alright. Did you see them? The soldiers? They looked like people, but they killed and killed with no hesitation. If they attack us again, how can we hope to defend ourselves? Yeah, Mornay, I was falling to my death. I don't think Trev wants to queue raids with me. You'll enjoy Dawn earlier confirming I was not going to perceive his Outer Wilds content, so that he didn't have to worry about spoiling for me. Good, Bruce, because you shouldn't spoil yourself. Thank you, miss. But my husband and son, they were... Oh, holy shit. She's having a horrible day. Menfina fight. Oh my god. No, Mornay, I'm mostly joking. Because they take literally forever and it would take up the rest of stream to do one. I'm exaggerating a little bit, but I do need to queue them more. What is happening? Why am I running to the side? Okay. Why, thanks. I'll be fine now. But we failed to protect the people. Why did so many have to die? Where were Val Wicklamat and Valcona? They're not to blame. I understand. I do. I need to clear my head. Yeah, I don't really think that they could have done anything. Low-key. Not really their fault. Do I have... Really? I think I'm gonna need new armor soon. Hold on, let me look at my stuff. Level 90. Level 92. Level 90. Uh-oh. Level 95. Uh-oh. Yeah, I definitely have some gear that could be better. $669. $669. What is my current stuff? $630. Could be an off-stream thing. This is true. Twitch streamer Amanda helping a random lizard child find a painter when she still doesn't know if Bako Jaja survived. So basically, that's actually super valid. I kind of forgot that Bako Jaja. They wouldn't. Here's the thing, right? Here's the thing. Nice, Liz. Here's the thing.
Here's my hypothesis. They just killed Galu Jaja on camera. They would not dare to kill someone like Bako Jaja off camera. So this is my truth. I am maxed on tombstones and I have been for like a month. So what to do?
Oh, this is true. I did send them to Nikki because I was laughing. I did not say Balu Jaja. I said Bakul Jaja. You can buy the Endwalker Tome Gear. I'm pretty sure I had the Endwalker Tome Gear. Because level 90? I'm pretty sure this is it, right? Augmented Lunar Envoy? Isn't that it? Am I still use? No, Liz, it was so funny. Gabakul Jaja. Oh, there's 660. It's only one of my items. Well, I'll do it later. I'll do it later. I don't think it's like too bad yet. And once I hit level 100, I need new armor anyways, so I'm not too worried about it. I might just hold off until I hit 100. You finished dating the people here? Q. There were children among the wounded. Children. No, now isn't the time. There are still others who need help. Could you go and see how things are at Talon March? And afterwards, go and find Alice at Bayside Bevy. Okay. Yeah, that's fair, Mornay. I think I might try to wait it out to 100 just so I can get a whole new fresh set at 100. I don't know what I'm gonna do because don't you have to craft those? And they're super expensive. Roll on accessories in Dawntrail dungeons and they're all above that anyways. This is so true. I also have like I'm yawning so hard. Oh, item level 580. Yeah, that's worse. Oh no, I suddenly feel like the sleepiest person in the whole world. Oh, I'm maxed on poetics and I don't know what to do about it. Like, do I just buy? I don't know. I mean, I guess I could buy some level 60 stuff for my bard, but it's like only gonna be level 60 for so long, you know? Yeah, I guess I could help my bard. Whoa, Punk's message got held because he said nuts. Nuts, nuts, nuts. Dump them into Endwalker relics. Oh, I haven't done any Hildy. I haven't done any Hildy. One in the chat if you want me to do Hildy on stream. Trevor's gonna say 2. Yep. Wait, you actually want me to do Hildy on stream? Guys. Hi, Dominica's. Hi. Welcome in. Also, if I said your name wrong, please correct me, but welcome in. Hello, it's good to see you. Okay, well, guys, when I'm completely caught up on MSQ, and then I've done the Heavensward Alliance raids that I missed, and then I've done the Alexander raids for Evercold purposes, and then honestly I might do a redo of the Stormblood Alliance raids on stream because I never did the story. I just like speedran the story, and I'm kind of interested in the story actually. Then maybe we'll do Hildy. Dom is good? Okay, sounds good. Hi, welcome in. Hildy's fine, but it's not necessary. It was for the relic weapons in Endwalker. So I think that the only thing that makes me kind of want to do Hildy is, wow, what is going on here? Okay. What is going on? What are they doing? Should I join them? I'm just gonna follow them. They're hunting for a witch. Wait, wait, no, hurry. Magic, follow them with me, Magic, hurry. What is going on? Where did they go? We lost them. Oh, hi, Mish. I think we lost them. That was so sad. Oh, hi, Magic. I lost them. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for being like, Magic, hurry. And then there was nothing there. Hi, Matt. By the way, thank you for your cat pats. Welcome in. But no, sorry. Oh my god, I got distracted. Happy was doing Hildy and like a bunch of the emotes and stuff you get from Hildy. I feel like I kind of want. So if I really want to stream this game before Evercold, you might see me do it. But yeah, the Evil East raids, I've done them. I have done them, but I never did the story. So I'm honestly thinking about doing a replay through like a new game plus of them on stream so I can actually get the story. I don't know. The dances are very good. Oh, is Magic doing a Hildy dance? Yeah. See, I want these silly, goofy dances. And that's why I think I'm gonna do Hildy. Yeah, I want that one. I want this one so bad. I want it so bad. I like the raids, but not the story. I don't know. If I need to pass time, I don't know. I don't know. The shop appears to have weathered the chaos, though its wares have been strewn across the floor. Damn. Oh my god, I'm so sorry for calling all of you here, and then the running people are gone. I'd watch it regardless, just not my fave. That's fair. I don't know, just something to think about, because I don't know, I haven't done a bunch of the post Heavensward patch content, so I'm definitely gonna start with that. And then we'll go from there. Dawntrail, why did you just slap me? Dawntrail! Dawntrail, where did you get that top, Dawntrail? I need that top, Dawntrail. Where did you get it? Dawntrail! Dawntrail! Dawntrail, I need the top. I'm gonna do Alex raids, and I know I said that I wasn't going to, but I am going to because I think I need the lore for Evercold. 7.4 dungeon. Fuck my life. You can't just ask someone where they got their top. Well, yes I can. That's really cute. Evil is just my favorite Final Fantasy setting. No, that's fair. That's fair. We're gonna see Livin' Liquid's juicy ass. I don't know what any of that means. Oh, Ari! The fresh scorch marks on the ground are doubtless from enemy assault. Oh my god, Ari. Holy shit. I love the top so much I have it on one of my glam plates as well. It's so cute and I feel like I see everybody wearing it and I want it so bad. Holy shit, that scared me. What is this person doing? What are they doing? What are you doing? Why are you running? I'm following you! I'm following this guy! Come back! Who are you? I'm following you! No! Wow, nice Dawn, bless you. Okay, back to MSQ. I don't know what they were doing. Courtney, thank you for your cat packs. Welcome in. Wow, I love how we're just all being silly little guys. And Tuliolao. Okay, we're gonna go over here. I love the night music here. Guys, I'm gonna get distracted. Everybody boo. Everybody boo. Guess what time it is? Triple triad. Wait. Where do I fix my decks? I think I just got some new cards. What did I get recently? Oh, whoa, this is a good one. This guy? No, he's in my deck. Oh, did I get this guy? Maybe. Toji, thank you for the lurk. Have a good rest of your night. You have no cards. Do you discard them all? No, Jordan. These are literally the only cards I've ever gotten. I'm so serious. I have redeemed every single card that I've gotten. Do you have any leftovers? Doubt it. Doubt it. They don't drop. You can't get cards until you unlock the game. Oh. There's packs in the golden saucer? How? How do I buy them? You need to rerun a ton of old content now that you have Triple Triad unlocked. Oh, great. That's good. Fuck my life. Well, that sucks. I'm GP by the mini Kangpot guy. Damn. Damn, that sucks. You can run the content unsynced. That's true. Matt, have fun. Damn. I dumped about 1 million MGP for a single card from PAX. I'm saving up. I'm saving up. Oh, wait. I just clicked recommended. I don't know if that was smart. It probably wasn't. Plus, all open. I don't know what any of that means. Oh god. I just got really stressed out. 6-7. I just got stabbed. Holy shit. You should fix that. What the fuck does plus mean? Oh my god, fuck you. What does that mean? You just ruined my life. I lose. I lose. Do you like this music? No. Guys, what does plus mean? When a card is played, if 2 or more of the sides are touching other cards and the sum... Holy shit, my brain cannot do this. When a card is played, if 2 or more of the sides are touching other cards, and the sum of the ranks on the touching sides are identical to the sums on the other touching sides, the other cards are flipped. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you, and I'm gonna get really mad. Also, thank you, Cognito. I just saw that you literally put it in my chat. I'm a silly goose. There's no fucking way they can win, right? Wait, do I have to play over and over again until I get the card? How does this work? Will you guys play this at my funeral? Yeah, I will. I'll actually sing it like pentatonics. Like, I'll go up to the mic to say the eulogy and I'll start singing. And everybody will clap. So, I'm gonna play this at your trial for when you go in for the joking incident. Tricky, tricky. Are they gonna try to plus me? I'm really scared. Oh god, I'm really scared right now. No, it's fine. Wait, do I actually do have to play this over and over and over again until I get the card? Can you just be at this for hours? You must breathe. The triple triad senses your weaknesses. You sure can. Yeah, if you suck. Okay. That's good. Nah. Nah. I think I still win. Yes! 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 Now Jordan can't say I barely have any cards. Oh. Hey. Who's... Oh my god. Thank you, Dawntrail. Also, hi. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. I know you. Anonymous follows are on. Feel free to lurk or chat or whatever you want to do. This is not what I meant to do. Holy shit. Did he give you a living liquid card? No, he gave me a wind-up Momolja, the cutest in the whole world. Oh my god, it's a baby! Hi, Silver. Welcome in. Thank you for following. He's gonna slap it. No, that's my baby. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. Dawntrail traded the baby with you because he didn't want anything to do with it. I don't care. It's so cute. Stop. No, don't do squats on the baby. Dawntrail hates me. This is actually the cutest guy ever, and look at how he runs. I'm actually getting cuteness aggression. I'm getting cuteness aggression. Where's my baby? Guys, are there any other triple triads I can do, or is there only one per city center? Oh no, that's not triple triad. Damn. Zeralja can get bent. This is so true. I love Dawntrail. I'm having a really good time. I feel like it went from 0 to 100 like 3 streams ago, and now I'm hooked again, so. Cities can have more outdoor zones, usually have 1. Okay. There are many, many more? Just in Tuliyola? I know, I didn't mean to get excited about LevaQuest. Don't look at me. Oh, NPCs unlock after you've done content. Okay. No, maybe I just want a triple triad. Maybe I want to go to every Dawntrail location for the rest of stream and play triple triad until I get the cards. So, maybe I do. Some NPCs you have to do the entire quest line for them. Oh, like the blue quests? yellow quests even. No. Like, bye. I don't give a fuck. Bye. The port remains unscathed, but the enemy ships continue to loom overhead. I'm going to leave. I'm going to leave if you get distracted from MSQ. I am going to threaten you. Okay, bye. I have ADHD and I like to have a good time. I like to do whatever my little heart desires. La 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 la. Anyone want to play more Triple Triad? Oh well. I do know there are a ton of Triple Triad opponents. Easy for you, I can tell you. Okay. Wait, can I tell you? Oh yeah, you can tell me, bless you. There is no evidence of significant damages from battle. The fighting did not spread this far, it seems. Oh, okay. Why would they spare this area? Or was it just like... Okay. So I just saw this. Is it because is your heart little because you're a landlord? Wow. No. So no. Oh, there's no tourney this week. Final Fantasy VIII. Oh. Dawn wasn't going to actually tell me something. Dawn was going to talk about Final Fantasy VIII. Hey, so I just saw this dead body and got sad. Oh, honey. Now I'm sad. I didn't realize that they were like... I'm sad. That NPC is named Dead Pigs. Not funny. I think people should actually enjoy the whole breadth of content in this game if they wanna. Yeah! I need to find things that aren't just MSQ that I enjoy doing because I'm running out of MSQ, but I don't want my Final Fantasy XIV love to fade. So I gotta explore, you know? Have you been advised of the Thule minion questline? I don't think I have. What minion? Okay, I actually have considered learning Mahjong, but I tried learning and I got really overwhelmed. Is there like a good tutorial for it? Imagine the global wave of cheer and merriment that could propagate a new era of fulfillment and validation by playing Final Fantasy VIII. Okay. Chocobo racing. I've never done that. I don't know what Verminion is. Verminion? Oh, that's that one thing. Corn servant minion. I don't have that one. I would do it. I would do it. There's a phone app that people mention that plays similarly. What? I watched 4 YouTube videos of Mahjong, and that was enough to be a baby at it, kind of. Okay. I played like Mahjong on my grandma's computer when I was a kid, but that's not the same as the Mahjong in the Golden Saucer, and that kind of jarred me when I tried. That it wasn't the same. So. I've helped all those I could find and seen them delivered into the Landsguard's care. As many casualties as they are, it would have been worse if the Landsguard hadn't fought as bravely as they did, and if Zeralja actually meant to harm the people. I mean, look around. The buildings are hardly damaged. I suspect his aim was more to incite fear, to show that he could strike whenever he pleases. But we can discuss that later. How is Lamachi? Even after what happened to her father, she's trying so hard to fulfill her duty to the people. Still, everyone has their limits. She needs rest, and soon. Someone mentioned seeing her head towards the shore. Perhaps she's gone to the Gornatruk Gleam Sands? believe it starts on a dock in Thule Yellow Quest. I'm curious. I'm curious. I kind of want a little corn guy. Try as much as you can and see what makes you excited to do more of. That is what I intend to do. I might have to look up where the quest is so I don't, unless I have found it. Curious corn! Oh, I bet you it's this guy. I bet you it's this guy. Hi. Oh. Is it this guy? Okay. You happen upon a curious cob of corn that almost seems alive. No, this is not the corn smut, I promise. Rustle, rustle. Me when I play hour. The rustling of this corn sounds not unlike a dejected sigh, and you could swear it's looking out at the ocean. Oh, woe is me. Wait.
Do you think the corn sounds like this? Oh, woe is me.
What's the matter? Okay, I'm gonna voice act it. Oh, look at this guy. It is Lise.
You can see me?
Yeah. You're just a little guy.
Oh, blessed be. For countless ages I have watched over these lands. When man first tilled her soil, I was there. When they partook of her bounty, I was there. A silent guardian of the harvest. My presence unmistakable.
That's my little guy.
Yet, the passage of time would bring change to the people. They began to forget the old ways. Forget me. I traveled the lands hither and yon.
Hither and yon.
Yet, no matter where I went, I remained unseen and unheard. I feared before long I might shuck this nigh immortal cob.
Yeah, this is peak, Justin.
Yet, here at last, I have found a kindly soul, able and willing. She doesn't know a con song, by the way, to lend me an ear. But will she lend me a hand as well? I wonder. I wish to help the people of Dawntrail, fill their hearts and bellies both, lest their hunger invite terrible misfortune. All that are born into this world are deserving of happiness. Would you not agree? So let them eat, I say, eat corn and be merry. Alas, I cannot reach them in my diminished state, but you can, and so I shall bequeath unto you the most delectable corn dishes, which are to be then distributed to the masses. What say you?
Trevor! You can't just say that. That's so true, Spruce.
Oh my god! Such selflessness! Such compassion! How long has it been since I met a soul so grossly incandescent? I am but a humble stalk, basking in the warmth of your generous heart. Well, my friend, let us be off.
This guy talks so much. This guy talks so much. Okay. Wait. Oh, 1 second. You think this guy actually sounds like that? I hope so.
Goodness, how long has it been since the last man has partaken of my corn? I can hardly wait. The hungry bellies of Dawntrail cry out for satiation. Let us sally forth.
This guy talks so much. This guy talks so much. This guy also sounds really weirdly exactly like Papyrus from Undertale. That is so weird. If you keep doing this quest or any other quest, I'm leaving to make food because I am hungry. I will be back. Okay. Guys, look at my little corn and my little Mamulja. I have cuteness aggression. I have 2 of them. Oh my god. What am I to do now? I'm like to starve at this rate.
His belly, it speaks to me. I bid you offer him this grilled corn, seared to perfection with the hope that it burns in my corny bosom.
Corny bosom. Wow. Okay. I never thought that I would hear that sentence in my life. Is that grilled corn for me? Yeah, girl. Yeah. That's awful kind of you. I'm new to Tuliyola and it's been pretty hard. Harder since I lost my job. I've been so hungry lately that I can barely think straight. But the smell of this corn with its smoky sweet aroma has brightened my day. I can hardly wait to eat it. Feels like maybe my luck is starting to turn around. Thank you, miss. I won't forget this. Corn sounds a lot like Benoit. I don't know who that is. Am I a silly goose? Who was it that ate a fuckload of corn the other day? Oh, it was Jake. It was Jake. We gotta keep this guy away from Jake. Oh my god. If going Jake mode comes into my chat, ban them. Perhaps I'll simply skip breakfast today.
A belly and heart, both in dire need of nourishment. Here, take my cob. Let its earthly scent and savory flavors offer her comfort.
Okay. Grilled corn? My husband loves grilled corn. Life simply isn't the same without him. No! Trauma dumping. One moment I think I'm fine, then suddenly I find myself brought to tears. Even eating has been a struggle, but I know he wouldn't want me to mourn him. Thank you for this. I'll try to do better for his sake and mine. So it can say take of my cob, but when I do it... That's not a sentence people say. Ever. Hello? Oh, we're close. Hello? Pom-pom. Oh, hello, hungry Mamulja. I'm so sad. Oh, they're fine. Never mind. Whose cob are we talking about? There are bodies in the street. It's time for the corn quest. I'm so hungry, but I have no money. May the gods forgive me for what I am about to do.
Do you hear that, friend? His belly weeps from hunger. Pray offer him this corn. Let its smoky sweetness give him comfort and deliver him from foul temptation.
I love this corn guy. This is the best quest in the game. Is this grilled corn for me? Truly? My stomach has been in knots for days. Thank you. It shames me to admit it, but I tried my hand at gambling and lost everything. I was so desperate for food, I was tempted to do terrible, terrible things. This corn has filled my aching stomach and helped to clear my head. Oh, what a fool I've been. It's time I start over and get my life together. Asking women if they want to take off my cob and go Jake mode. Wow! Hold on. I'm gonna send that to Jake. Jake is gonna love that. Jake is gonna be like, hell yeah. Hold on. Okay, I sent it to Jake. I, for one, support our woke corn pope. Whoa. Pom-Pom is running around feeding the people as part of this corn child, which is his body. I think you're starting a religion. I might be.
The rumbling my bad. The rumbling of bellies in need has ceased. Come, let us find a quiet place to speak.
Okay. We have to go be quiet, I guess. Hi, Nina. Jake! Jake, you didn't like that? I thought it was really good. I thought it was really good. I thought you would want to steal that. You cleared you, Cobb. Who summoned the one true corn demon? Jake, Jake, look at this guy.
I have a corn cob following me, and he sounds like this. This is his voice. He sounds like this. And we're spreading a corn religion together, and we just thought of you, okay? Yeah, I'm clearing you, Cobb, right now. The corn one. So, yeah.
I'm so sorry, Jake. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry about that. Huge, Nina, though. I'm so proud of you. Congratulations on clearing. I just thought you would really like that message, Jake. Nina, how long did it take you? Hello? Can I talk? Word of advice, do not eat 9 corns in 3 minutes. You will not feel good. I intuitively know, I knew that. Yeah. Okay, hold on. I have to be in my voice acting era really quickly. Please pause.
Full glad am I to have helped the people of Tuliyolau. Indeed, my kernels swelled with joy at the sight of their happy and content faces. And you, friend, your kindness cannot go unrewarded. Meet me at the gate over yonder, and I will see you duly compensated for your trouble. Okay. Oh, that wasn't supposed to be in that voice.
Okay. Unfortunately, going... Okay. Good night, Jake. Don't know what that... I think I was unfortunately going to bed when you sent that DM, so I'm leaving bye. I can't gay. Can't relate. It took all night, but we got the clear for our OT who is absent on Friday, and tomorrow we're going to get one more clear before we break the new ultimate. Nina, I'm so happy for you. The corn does remind me of a little Korok. You're so right. I do get Korok vibes. Have good esteems.
There you are. I hope our little excursion was as fulfilling for you as it was for me. It is a terrible thing to be hungry. Unattended bellies are quick to fill themselves with pain and anguish, feelings that will lead the heart astray. Thanks to you, my corn has sated the hunger that would otherwise invite misery to this place. From the bottom of my cob, I thank you. Pray, take of my corn. May these kernels keep your belly full and spirits lifted. Now, I really must be going. While the people of Tuliyolau may be content, there are other hungry souls out there in need of nourishment. Until we meet again.
Wait, where is he going? Where is he going? Did he just leave? Oh. Okay. Well, I guess we'll just start it. No, Mimi, I don't think Jake would eat that guy. I don't think Jake is gonna ever eat corn ever again. Low-key. So. I hate when I can't gay. Sometimes you just have trouble gaying. Yeah, I guess, Tara. Just, those days suck. Oh, more yellow quests in other zones. Okay. If you guys ever sense me getting close to him, please tell me. I would love to get the minion. Hello? Oh, Wooklamat. Hi. Oh no.
Steady now.
Oh,
I brought
honey.
you medicine. Drink.
She's having a real bad day.
There you are, Lamachi. I was beginning to...
Come on. Come on. Take it. Please.
Girl. They might be
Lamachi.
dead. They might be dead, girl.
Lamachi!
How? How could I?
Look at me, Lamati.
Voice acting.
You need rest. You and her both. I will tend to this soul.
But my people, I have to help them.
Girl, you gotta go to bed. You have
The
had
Landsguard have matters well in
a
hand.
dramatic day.
Trust in them.
Girl just watched her father die.
If there's another attack, your people will need you to protect them. They'll need you to be sharp. So please rest. Consider it your duty.
I agree. Pom Pom needs her beauty sleep. It's kind of different. So you just don't get it.
I stood before them all. Said that we'd build a nation where everyone knows happiness. So much for that promise. What good is a vow of resolve who cannot save her people?
This is so tone deaf. Holy shit. Oh my god. Okay, we'll handle this together, girl.
You'll stick with me.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. My head's a little clearer now. I need to concentrate on what I can do, rather than what I can't.
Yup, yup.
We've dealt with unfriendly factions before. From Yokhui still longing for conquest, to adherents of blessed siblings, people who are unwilling to listen. Even so, I believed that by learning about one another and engaging in good faith, we could peacefully settle our differences. And we did. But my brother is different. There will be no reasoning with him. He killed our people, our father. He'll stop at nothing to achieve his goal. What's more, he has power. The power to destroy the peace we've worked so hard to preserve. If I'm to protect that peace, then I must fight. I must confront Zorolja and kill him.
I'll help. Count Pom Pom in. She'll do it. She loves doing that. I wonder if this brought up real tears when I act out sadness. I make myself cry. It kind of sounded like it, honestly. If not, it was like extremely convincing. So, have you tried simply not being depressed? That second option was diabolical. Diabolical. I'm fine. Just needed a moment to settle my nerves. Thank you for being there for me and for urging me on despite all my sulking. I mean, her dad just died. I think she has every right to sulk a little bit. Sitting around and complaining isn't very leader-like, is it? So much has happened so quickly. I struggle to make sense of it all. The strange soldiers, those floating ships, the new powers Zoralja commands. Given everything he's done and still intends to do, I know I can't afford to run headlong into battle. Not this time. I cannot let this terrible pain in my heart lead me astray. But I will make it my strength, the strength to do what I must. Okay, girl. Some of you in chat chose option 2, I know you did. I'm shaking my head at you very angrily. Right, I'm heading back to the palace. I need to talk strategy with Kona. Could you and the others join us in a while? However we decide to proceed, I want you all to be aware of it. Oh, and could you tell Alice it'll be alright? She's probably at Bayside Bevy. Okie dokie, I guess. I guess, girl. Can I not? Okay, I was gonna say. I'm assuming that they fix up the zone once you get to the end of the X pack. It looks so bleak now. There are so many people here, just chilling, just standing around. Hi, Shion. Bye, Shion. I just ran through you. I'm sorry. Hello, I love Wooklamat. Hello, me too. I'm a huge fan. Oh. Get shit on. Get shit on. Get shit on. Where's my... Yeah. Pom Pom would do that. Oh, you're back. By that, I take it to mean Lamachi is feeling better? She needs to be strong for the people of Trail. I understand that, but she doesn't have to do it alone. So if she intends to fight, then we fight together. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Oh, sweep! That said, wish I knew exactly what we were up against. No time for tears. Where's my... Oh my god, I literally can't type. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah. Absolute fucking loser right here. Yeah. Imagine you die and Pom Pom sweeps up your body. Alice regards the fallen soldier thoughtfully. It's clearly not a person, but it doesn't look like any automaton or magitech weapon I've ever seen. As far as wide as you've traveled, though, perhaps you've encountered something similar before. Would you mind taking a closer look? It may yield some clues as to Zeralja's new powers. Okay. Examine the fallen soldier. You may move the camera as well as zoom in or out. Okay. From a distance, it appeared to be simple armor, but upon closer inspection, its construction is quite intricate. The material from which it is made is unclear, and you see no signs of a power source. The general shape of this weapon resembles a gun, but its construction suggests it's far more advanced than anything you've seen before. Okay. In place of where eyes or a mouth might be, you see a strange sigil on the front of this helm. Good night, punk. Thank you for hanging out. The corn god is with us at all times. So, what do you think? Unlike anything I've ever seen. Indeed, while it resembles a person, it has features that make it uncanny, the lack of a face not least of all. Did you see any sign of a power source? So, it probably doesn't run on ceruleum or any other conventional fuels. I tried channeling ether into it earlier, but there was no response. That would seem to rule it out as an arcane entity. It's completely lifeless now, a far cry from the unstoppable enemy it was in battle. Even the material it's made of is a mystery. Rather than a metal, it's more akin to stone. Wait, haven't we seen this somewhere recently? In the Sky Deep Cenote! That's right, the glowing stone used in the chamber with the gate to the Golden City. And while these soldiers are a different color, the warships are the same black as the stone at the gate itself. Did Kettenram not tell Wuk-Lamat that Zeralja took the stones? Wait. Did this man... I'm so confused. Why would he not tell them? Like, hey, the whole reason why Zeralja is super powerful is because he robbed me. I had the key to the Golden City and he robbed me. And he didn't think to, like, tell us that? I don't believe it. There has to be a connection. Let us share our observations with the others when we gather at Sunperch. Why would he not tell us? Especially when Galu Jaja literally told him to look over his kids. The sooner we get to the bottom of this mystery, the better. They've not really sat down and had a conversation yet. I feel like he could have just pulled us aside and been like, hey, super important detail that you might have missed out on. So basically, triple triad match! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm busy. I'm busy. I'm busy. I'm busy. I'm busy. Triple triad match. So he was playing triple triad instead of telling. That's okay. He can do that. That's so real of him. Hey, do you play triple triad? It's supposed to teach you strategy, so I've been giving it a try. Okay, whatever, dude. Plus. Match rules. Cards must be played in a random order determined before the match. Oh, fuck. A rank 1 side can flip an A. While reverse is in play, A rank A side will flip a 1. Whatever, man. Oh no, Xanthia, is this guy hard? Oh, fuck my life. Yeah, I don't think I have the cards for this. I totally don't have the cards for this. Where the odds that it gets the card to flip your ace is 100%. Okay, maybe we won't try to beat this guy tonight because I'm gonna lose. That was a miserable game. That was a miserable game. I don't think I have the cards for this. I'm gonna try one more time and then I'm gonna leave. Because I just don't think this is possible for me. We're so screwed. Seven plus 5 is a 12. I don't think I can plus it, unfortunately. Oh wait. I didn't get the card. I didn't get the card. But I beat him. Oh my god, hold on. Now that I know it's possible. Now that I know it's possible. Now we gotta lock in. Well, shit. The 9 on the bottom really fucks me up here, unfortunately. Fuck everything. Wait, I don't get it. I don't get, oh, the plus, it plussed me. Fuck you. Fuck you and your plus. I hate you. I hate you. 9 plus 7. Definitely is not the same as ace plus 8. I lose. Oh, what? Hello? Some can't go higher than 10, so if it's higher, just think of it as 10. Oh! Oh! Me when I won and I didn't even know. Guys, thank you for the triple triad rules. Okay, so plus can't go higher than 10. So 10 is the same. Okay, hold on, we're learning. We're learning. This was the corner for this card, and that sucks so bad. Well. This game hates me. This game hates me. Coco spotted in... What? What does that mean? There's guides out there on where to get the pretty strong cards that are relatively easy to obtain if you want to go that route. I might have to do that. Why? This guy has gone first every single time. This has got to be rigged. This has got to be rigged. This is rigged. This is rigged. Wait, how is that not a plus? Fuck everything. God damn it. I'm trying like 2 more times. I just don't have cards right now. Oh my god, I actually won first time? Wow. Amazing. Incredible. Never been done before. This game hates me. Really? Time Twister? Well, hell. I lose. No, Roscoe, I promise you it's rigged. It's totally rigged. Oh, oh, oh! It's not rigged! It's not rigged! It's not rigged! It's not rigged! I did that! I did that! It wasn't rigged! I did that! Never mind. Yeah, it was not rigged. Oh, oh no. Oh no. Boom! Give me the card. Give it to me. Ooh. Okay, goodbye. Goodbye, boy. Thank you for modding. Have a good rest of your night. No, I'm gaming so hard. Never mind. I'm not, actually. I lied. I lied a lot. Just rigged order. Like, absolutely rigged order right now. Like, diabolical. Actually, fuck. Goodbye, boy. This is so bad. This is so bad. This is rigged. This is rigged. This is rigged. This is rigged. This is not rigged. This is not rigged. I did that on purpose and I didn't get the card. Okay. It's so bad, Weary. I'm just gonna go do MSQ at this point. I just wanted the card, but here we are. Marquise, why are you tomatoing me? How dare you tomato me when I just became a triple triad god today? Oh, my life. Why are you butterfielding me? Oh, I'm so screwed. Oh, yeah, I did that on purpose. Yeah. Guys, actually, how long does it take to get the card? What is the chance of a card drop? Jordan, why are you butterfielding now? Is my whole chat turning against me? In the Butterfield world? Oh, now you're doing it, Liz? Okay. Whatever. That's okay, Swax. You can be a hater. That's fine. You gotta keep going for the challenge log. There's good news and bad news. Okay, what's the good news? Oh, the drop odds based on the rarity of the card it drops. Yikes. Okay. Well. The good news is the card drop rate is above 1%. Okay, I'm ready for the bad news. I'm ready. Hit me with it. Yes. Yes. The card drop rate is 2.9%. You're telling me I have to beat this guy? No way. No way. Marquise, why are you laughing at me? This is horrible news. This is the worst news. Oh, now my whole chat is butterfielding. Okay. Okay, I'm calling it. Streamer luck. Streamer luck right now. I'm calling it. This is gonna be some diabolical streamer luck. Wait. 7575. Should that not have plussed it? Whatever. intentional. I worked with Yoshi P on that bit. Did you guys like it? Wow, that was really good. Marquise, I am gonna ban Marquise. Cinema. Wow, that was really good. Wait, what card did I even get? What card did I even get? Chimera. Bomb. Oh, was it Biblos? Oh no, that was Great Global Library. Oh. Oh wow. Wait. I have so many cards. So why do I not have them in my Yeah, Streamer's Blessing buff. It's true. It's true. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I did get, I don't remember which ones I got today, but I think I got 2 new ones today, so. Okay, huge. Yeah, we're on our triple triad grind. Pom Pom is going to be a triple triad pro by the end of Dawntrail, and we just started. We just started. Hello Pillow Fruit is from the other guy. Okay, okay, huge. The Dawntrail cards are numbered highest, as in like good cards, or as in like there's the most of them. Yeah, I kind of killed that. We're kind of a triple triad pro now. Oh, the cards have a number 1 to 500. Oh, okay, okay. I'm learning. Thank you guys. Looks like everyone is here already. Oh, okay. We keep on breaking up the extremely sad quest with triple triad, and I kind of feel bad about that. Sorry, VOD watchers. This must be frustrating.
Thank you for coming, everyone. And thank you for taking charge in the relief effort. We would have fared far worse without you.
Someone had to do it, that's all. Come, let's take stock.
In terms of casualties, at least 50 died in the attack. And many times that number are wounded. All available healers are seen to their care. Structural damage at least is limited, so essential business can be conducted without issue. That said, the people are understandably shaken. We must assuage their fears and begin working to restore things to normal as quickly as possible.
Now, the most confounding mystery remains our enemy.
Okay, Kona, whatever you
And
say.
their mechanical soldiers created with technology that surpasses anything I've ever seen. What is their nature? And how did Zoralja manage to bring them under his command? Such things remain unknown.
They emerged from the dome encasing Yasolani. We're quite certain of that much.
Speaking of the dome, we have some theories, I'm told.
Indeed. I would like to call upon some helpers to join the discussion. May I invite them here?
By all means.
It's me. Permission has been granted. You can come in.
Who? Who? Who?
Greetings, everyone.
Who? Oh. Oh my god, thank god. Oh my god, thank god. Oh my god, thank god. Hello, my boyfriend.
Raha! Y'shtola! After that long voyage, I had hoped that we might be afforded a moment's rest. But I gather circumstances are quite dire.
Pom Pom is now looking really guiltily between Kona and Graha because she totally found another cat boy while she was on her beach vacation. Oh well. Yeah, weary.
All is well in the annex, never fear. I've already dealt with the most pressing matters, and others hold the fort in my absence.
I missed his voice. Wow. Hi, Fallout Freak. I hope you're doing well. It's good to see you. Red pill or blue pill? I'm sorry for that, BTW. Okay, Jordan. Well, me personally, why not both? Yeah. Grant, thank you for your cat pets. Thank you for the lurk.
Following the changing of Dawn servants, Gulul Jar Jar spoke about the Golden City to his two successors. Thanks to Wuglamat, I was allowed to attend that meeting. What I heard led me to conclude that this was a matter for the students. Thus did I call upon our comrades who possess the requisite expertise. It was actually after that the dome manifested. But, based on what we know, I have reason to believe that it is connected to the Golden City.
Okay, huge. I feel like Ket and Ram would be able to, like,
While
confirm
we're eager
that,
to
though.
help, we have limited familiarity with the situation. Might we trouble you to explain from the beginning?
As you know, it was a letter I found tucked away in the Baldessian Annex that brought me to Toral. A letter from the Dawn servant addressed to my grandfather, sent some 20 years ago.
The request to investigate the City of Gold?
Mm-hmm.
Indeed. The strange thing is, there was mention of neither Toral nor the city in our records. Hoping to learn the truth of my grandfather's mission, what he did and saw, I volunteered to help in the rite of succession. At the end of which, I was able to hear the tale from Gulul Jar Jar.
Oh, yeah, wow. Oh.
Like us, my grandfather went to the deepest chamber of the Sky Deep Cenote. And, like us, he saw the gate to the Golden City.
And then what?
Is that what you required our help with? This gate?
It was. You see, the gate was opened once in the past. And
it led to another reflection.
Oh. Oh. Okay, so
I can
that
take
makes
the
a lot
story
of
from
sense.
here. Considering my part in these affairs, I reckon maybe I'm best equipped to speak on the matter.
Yeah, I feel like you should have spoke like forever ago.
I was there too, you see. In those ruins, together with Galuf and Gulul Jar Jar. And what I saw that day, I'll never forget.
You're not gonna tell me? Oh, you're gonna show me even better. Thanks, game. Wow. Okay, huge.
This black stone is remarkable. I cannot help but wonder if the structures in this part of the ruins were built by a completely different civilization.
Well, it sure looks like it.
It was over 1,000 years ago that the giants mined here. Their records make no mention of glowing stones.
It harbors high concentrations of ether, and on the surface are what appear to be arcane patterns. They aren't Allagan, or Mahi, or Nemean. If anything, they put me in mind of the calculations of the South Sea Islanders, but even then...
Galif.
7 hells! What did you do?
Nothing.
He didn't do anything. I'm confused. Why are we accusing him?
An earthquake?
Bro was just standing there. Oh, is it gonna take him? And then Galif Baldessian disappeared for never mind. Me when I lie.
None of this has ever happened before.
A void gate? Nay, this is different.
Wait a second, what? Is Cryle from there? Is that baby Cryle? The lady looks like Cryle. My mind is blown.
Baby?
My mind is blown.
Now, hold on. Why would you...
Now, what's this?
What is this? Who are you?
She's so beautiful. Oh my god, is Carl gonna find her real parents when they go? Oh my god.
Though it never opened again. Galuf continued to study the gate for years after that, hoping
Hey,
to
how
learn
is
something of
Kryl
value.
handling this?
All he could conclude was that it was built with unknown technology, and that it led to another world,
Damn.
one apart from the Void. We'd assumed the ruins themselves were the Golden City, only to discover that the real prize actually lay beyond the gate, and beyond our reach. Couldn't make head nor tail of the artifact either.
Okay, music, hold on.
As it had similar properties to the black stone in the ruins, we were convinced it was important.
I don't know if I've heard
So
this song
Galul
before.
Jaja took it to the palace for safekeeping. Galuf, meanwhile, took the baby with him back to Charlian and raised her as his own.
Aww.
Then the child was...
Kryl! A Kryl.
the earring inside the letter to my grandfather. It was apparently found amongst my swaddling clothes.
Oh, she knew?
If this is true, then it means that you hail from another reflection.
Oh, sweetie.
So it would seem. I still struggle to take it all in myself. Looking back, Grandfather was always quick to seek distractions whenever I broached the subject. But never would I have guessed anything like this. But enough about me. We have more pressing matters.
The forces that assailed Tuliyola. You suspect they are somehow connected to the Golden City?
Thinking back on it, the soldiers look like they could have been made from the same black stone.
And leading them was Zeralja. His involvement also lends weight to the theory.
He had that little resurrection device on his forehead.
On the day of the succession ceremony, a bandit took me unawares and knocked me out. When I came to, I found my home turned upside down, with a few particular items missing. Namely the keystones I was entrusted with, for my role as Watcher of the Gate.
The bandit. You believe that it was...
I only got a glimpse of him, but I was a blue-scaled Hubigo. I know of no other.
The artifact stored at the palace was also stolen. The thief struck during the ceremony, and the guard was spread thin.
So our assumption is Zeralja somehow opened that gate to another reflection, where he acquired advanced technology and his mechanical army.
I don't know why they would just like listen to him though. That doesn't make
It
any
fits.
sense.
And if he did, then it's also likely that the dome is a product of this unknown reflection.
Oh, that's true too. The dome, I forgot about that guy.
Hold on. We've been going on and on about the reflections. But what of my home?
Okay, you know
What's
what?
become of it?
That's a fair point too. This looks like a job for the Scions of the Seventh Dawn. Okay, well, we're missing a few. Thancred, Oriange, Estinian. I don't know if we're all here, necessarily. And they're gonna walk in now, right? Because we need them. Right? My husband will join us, right?
Indeed. Where it concerns other realities, I dare say the Scions are best suited to tackle the task.
You can say that again. We've been to the literal edge of existence.
That's what I'm saying.
Some mysterious giant dome shouldn't scare us.
I'm not scared of a dome. I don't know about you guys.
As you know, our order has ostensibly disbanded. We'd thank you to be discreet about our unofficial reunion.
Oh no, this is official. Pom-Pom's called it.
Huh. Worry not. We'll spare no effort to get to the bottom of this. And with our hero eager to help, you can be confident of the results.
I'm scared? Why are you scared?
I'm coming with you. If that's where my brother is, then that's where I must go.
Okie dokie.
I can't say I understand everything you're discussing, but I know what I have to do. I have to put a stop to Zorolja and restore the people's happiness.
Suffice it to say, I share Lamachi's desire to join you.
No!
However, under these circumstances, it would be unwise for both vows to be absent from the city.
No!
As
Fuck my
such,
life!
I shall remain in Tuliolol. Come what may, I will protect our nation. So go forth, sister, and do what you must.
Dawntrail just lost so many aura points. 0 out of 10 expansion. No more Kona.
It may be prudent for us to likewise divide our forces. While one group ventures into the dome, the other keeps guard without.
Agreed. There's something I wish to
Guys,
investigate
we're going to
out
Dome
here,
Town!
so I will remain.
Wanna go to
I
Dome
as
Town?
well. The enemy's warships still loom overhead, and I would see that we are prepared for the worst.
I wish to go to the dome.
Me replying to
As a
Mishima's text
student,
at 3
I have an
a.m.
obligation to investigate this potential threat to the world. But I'd be lying if I said I'm not deathly curious about my origins. If there's aught to be learned, then I want to learn it.
No, and that's so fair, Carl. You deserve those answers.
In that case, please let me come too.
Well, yeah, of course.
I have to see what's become of my home.
Yeah.
I may not be a fighter, but I know those lands like the back of my hand. I can guide you.
I trust you with my whole life.
If you hadn't offered, I would have asked. We're counting on you.
I'm not one for waiting around, so if it's all the same to you, I'll join the dome crew.
I'll join the Dome crew.
You should accompany them, Graha. I expect your knowledge and experience will be useful.
What are you doing?
In the meantime, I intend to learn what I can about the gate, and will keep you apprised of my findings. Pray do the same.
Hold on, I have to let Frodo in. I have to let Frodo in. He's knocking on my doorknob to my bedroom. Just to babysit Alfie. Wookie and Aaronville's relationship makes me smile. Me too. Frodo wants to see Kona before we leave. No, he wants to eat. He's doing some crunchies. Do we think the Mikos see Krauls had like a cosplay? Or cultural appropriation? I would say probably a cosplay. Otherwise, I think one of them would have said something to her about it.
Assuming communication is possible from inside the dome, we'll maintain contact and share any developments.
It seems our teams are assembled. A fine roster, I think.
Looks good to me. We'll find a way to deal with the threat. For the sake of Tural.
Okay. Sake of Thrall.
It's truly heartening to have you at our side for this. Thank you, everyone. Now, before we set off, there's one thing I need to do. The people are still shaken by the attack, and I'd like to reassure them as best I can.
Hashtag midnight thoughts. No, totally, I get it. I fear we need to know more if we're to defend against another assault. I struggle to believe I am from another reflection. I wonder, does this mean my soul is thinner than a native of the source? Surely not. Shtola would have noticed. Gods, there's so much I don't understand. My head is ripe to burst. I'm indebted to Ojika for overseeing our operations in my absence. I will endeavor to make myself as useful as I can here. Another reflection encroaches upon our own, but how and why now? Please be safe. Oh, honey. We'll find a way to breach the dome and we'll make sure everyone inside is safe. This talk of reflection is perplexing to say the least. I should be glad for your help in understanding and overcoming this crisis. It's embarrassing to think how Zoralja caught me unawares. Maybe he shouldn't have had the keys on him. Isn't that a little silly? Just a little? I don't know, dude. But I've no doubt that bastard came to kill me. I reckon he would have succeeded were it anyone else. I know what I have to do now. Things are getting juicy. I imagine they see it the same way as people see my hoodie that has Amanda's face printed on the back of the hood.
What? What? Hello? I'm scared. I'm really scared.
Wow. Wow, okay. Koda has Alfie and Ishtola who can both pontificate for hours on reflections. He'll learn more than he has ever wanted to know. True. True. Where'd you get one of those? Does everyone want to buy a hoodie with me on the hood? I can make those for you. I'll take a really good picture for the back of it too. You're a merch store. Your hoodie hasn't arrived. Guys, I haven't made them yet. Maybe that's why. I can always watch my back. Put them up on Redbubble. I could. I don't know if you could put it on the hood though on Redbubble. I don't know about that. I don't know if they do it like that over there. I want one so I can burn it as a protest in case you do something bad, like how they burned LeBron's jerseys. Okay, well that's good. Cute, aw. I'm gonna talk to John Redbubble for you. Wow, thank you, that's really nice of you. Guys, here's the thing, I don't know if I should start a quest when I'm about to end the stream. I usually end around 4 hours and we're at 3 hours and 52 minutes and I'm not gonna finish a quest in 9 minutes. Does anyone know where a really easy triple triad opponent is? In any of the other places? I think we can find a triple triad guy real quick. Wearing my Amanda hoodie to the tenants of evil landlords meetup. Base cities? Oh, you think I can find one in Charlian? Totally. I have not done all the ones in the Golden Saucer. I probably should, huh? Yeah. Hold on, let me see if there's one like super close in Old Charlian. Oh my goodness. Just exited out of my OBS. Have they changed the time of the meetup? You guys have some audacity. Triple triad match. You guys have some audacity. Pretending like you go to landlord meetings in my hoodies. Is that my invite? Okay. Sometime around 6, 7. Okay. You know what? You know what? You can have that one. Cheating way. Cheating way. Oh, we're screwed. What is 3 open? What is 3 open? 3 cards chosen at random from each deck are played face up. 1 random card from each player's deck will be swapped. Okay. Oh, 3 cards are visible. Interesting, okay. Well, my cards are always visible to computers, at least in my brain. Oh no. I don't like any of these options I have. I win. I win. I didn't get either of the cards. Cheating Way is Chelsea's favorite. Really? A criminal is Chelsea's favorite? Whatever. Cannot believe that, Chelsea. Oh. Well, hell. That sucks. Six, 7. Damn. Criminals hang out with criminals, so it makes sense. Do you actually think that Chelsea's a criminal? This is new. This is new info. I got the Stola card. I'm gonna win. Watch. I'm gonna win. Oh, fuck. Oh, we're fucked. Oh, we're fucked. Ophi. Okay, that was Ophi. She did the chimes. That was her. That wasn't me. I don't know why I did that. Please ignore me. Oh no. Oh no. That was really whimsical. Hey, so I'm not good at this. I think Cheating Way is cheating. Do you guys think Cheating Way is cheating? I don't feel like I'm doing great. No? Cheating Way? Never, never. I got plussed. Fuck you. Fuck you and your math. I hate you. I hate you. You don't have that many hours of practice and your deck isn't great. This is true. I also haven't swapped out for any new cards. Cheating Way is Scamming Way's brother. Yeah, I think so. Well, hell. Well, I don't know. Oh, shit. I'm scared. Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, I won. Never mind. And I got a card. And I got a card. Yep. But I think I can still get one more card. Wait, so can this card still drop? So I have to play until I get the other card drop? Yeah. Yeah, we're not doing that. Don't Surprise me. You can sell excess cards for MGP. Do these like sell for a lot? Is that common for them to sell for a lot? You can theoretically get the Lopper dozens of times. Extras can be sold for a bit of MGP. Guys, no, I don't want to get the triple triad brain rot. Oh no. I fear that I'm kind of like it a little bit. Now that I know what I'm doing, kind of. I kind of enjoy it. Oh, 2-star sell for the same. Raid cards are like 500 to 1500. Like MGP. I guess that's not bad. Okay, well, I'm gonna go to bed and I'm gonna log out right by cheating way, so maybe I'll try again when I log back in. Ooh, triple triad. Ooh, I'm going to bed. Yeah, Ugg was playing Final Fantasy VIII last night. I wasn't there because I've never played Final Fantasy VIII. Well, good night. I should be streaming again on Thursday. The plan is Tamagotchi Life unless I like really, really badly want to play MSQ. I want to keep the possibility open for myself. I think I'll probably end up Tamagotchi Lifing. I don't want to like no life 14 again because then MSQ goes by faster. And I don't really want to do that. So, hi Mary, thank you for hanging out. I appreciate it. Also, go follow Mary and watch all of her streams because she's partner pushing. Thank you. Do what you gotta do. Okay. Guys, I don't get to raid Pay a lot, and Pay is live and finishing Resident Evil 4, so I'm gonna raid Pay. Pay is like almost never live later than me. This is a rarity. Our raid message is literally going to be boo. Wait, does Pay have boo? Pay does, okay. Evil raid. This is your raid message. That's your raid message. I'll see you on Thursday. I think I really want to make John Disco and Kim Kitsuragi in Tamagotchi Life, and I want to make maybe some more Final Fantasy 14 people or something. So yeah, it was a what good time? A corning good time. Spruce, I don't want to tell you what I read. I'm not gonna say what I actually read there. Okay, more Triple Triad next 14 stream and more MSQ, and I really want to put together like a neon glam because I know we're gonna go to that reflection soon, and I want Pom Pom to be ready for it. I want her to be ready. Thank you all so much for hanging out. Thank you Raiders for raiding me. Cyberpunk Glam. Fungies and Claire, thank you for the raids. Thank you all for hanging out. I will see you on Thursday for Tamagotchi Life, and then Saturday for more 14. Frizz and Liz, wow, I like that. And Weary and Ugg and Spruce and Ari and Mary and Time Twister and Pettis and Lurkers. Okay, bye. Have a good Wednesday.